no ene ewura kwaku buahe no ni nyina guso a egiram den nti ewura fuso ampofo de na mo hwe mienu afiri mu senka saa charge no entimi mwa no omo se koto ato mienu no agu nti still oja no oja otomoti tene no so ehwo asem nie na ho sem nie la dade kotopon MC mame Gladys man film ya film ya die mabusu nyina yakọ mabusu nyina yakọ nti
ne otiso
ai MC yasina zentem na ho dodo nti omode no ko India nyina kra ko hwese nka nyame be na dom ntimi anya yi bagana ena no na odoma kwa wu ede ne ko nti mabusu nyina hyede Ghanaian Times ne Ghanaian Times so ba mane na wakyere se Euro for sample for ne kwaku buahe woman sabon so July 8 ena ombesan atwaso na yakasa so Euro kwajo opon Minister information na order ha no chese se ne minority for babon te be ka se Ghana de ka 80 billion ne keka ho no so owura ndesa ene kwaku kwajo se antisa o chechire bi na order percentage nso na chechire mu a the percentage nso de odi rough nso be biri mu ani so gire no so ehun asem ni Ghanaian Times katafa to so miensa nso ba mane no chese lebrai over 20 years na sabri lebrai no 28 and wanya 20 years say onkonko dem okoko dem na kata ekra de aba no chese your friend said botwi said botwi ekra no ko gina court no se nya no na okeka ka ma lord nya me ena no achi kra no koduboni police inspector Samuel Ahiagbo ena de to court anim no chese akwa we kra na ye kana asem no hwe ne hu papa wono akra mpo kra no ne ho nsem a aba bontene nya agro na we nwia se okoko wi asore edan niema enoko wura instrument ne keka ho ko nkanom tikika bo mu asesa akwa kra mpo no wono kra damu a wo 12 years e woje e de jama so obu je no ne so wasan ba bonten a waya iti court asama no 20 years eno so ni nyina so obe 7 kama ewo tire no so ehun asem ni papa yin so nya 5 years ono so sa kodam kwakodam ya tire no so ehun asem ni na papa yin so enen sam da hayura Fred Blay court ashe charge say on servo yura Fred Blay etine no so ehun asem eni Ghanaian Times na daily graphic ni na daily graphic so ba mane no chese na anu ade nso to yin onam ka so highway no ho a chese efia hodo ne note ahodo a efiri konkon no so ba begu lord kwani mu no ha dwen papa e ma na no kran nso to ye no ene kohwe anwia na apu abegu kwan mu nyina anya asem ketwa entine no so ho asem na krata di aba na be kran ponya no nko enya honko otra aji kutoku Johnson ho a ekwa ho so anwe tumi pu eba se ofiri ha na wokọ ensamo a aji kutoku Johnson wokọ nyina filling station bi wo ho se hoyi anwe yin aba be gu kwan mu nyina hunu ko ta akora wo ho enso to a ha dwen papa nti se mo kaka so de na mo fa ensamo mu kwa no so de no so enka ho na empani nso so enhwe sa ne mani nyina enti akuyai kukwantumi ye hwese ye be kukuru ye betumi nso so ensam bi ye beba bia ne be kukuru boko ne ahwese betumi a ye betumi papa
o fa benti so na fa na konwama no na o fa meto aso ye dase abusia mai tu ene yate ne nkanda ubonkrata na poso ene wode abreye no ebraso se ye ne wo fadu eto aso ewo anopai ye kukrantumi dwumadie no eso na yenhwe na watwi wo fadu chini mu no ede ene wode eba mame nkona ofe tutu tata watena se a yenhya se emfiri honomo over tena se wie over mache
akuyai
over
aze wa fidie no mente eba hello
ote
bisatie phone so amote menka akuya
wo mote
ayo me bene me kan besesi kwamu akuya
besesi kwamu
kwamu so mpote mo eno anajo jina kwamu jina ho ujina obi amfa Jina.
Na abosai.
Abobe dumyinu. Anajo.
Na dia so bi esuru.
Ujina obi anya. Obi anyina. Asempa se nya nyonga mumfunso. Amro basi. Enti zaja. Ujina kwa nwa. Na anu adaya se oluma bi. Na omode ne yesa. Se aso oluma no. Ujina kwa nwa wo peka. Ka ni jina ya ni ese amro bese no. Pi free gudem ho baya. Na
so oluma no ka amro bese no.
Omode na setting jama. Ai adaba fo no kwa ni misemi ye bia wo. Enti jina ye.
Na ho ne fa wo bai.
Ai fui. Soja fobi. Eka na de me bai.
Utina ye.
Ai so mo ye na. Mo jina na mo zia. Olumai. Where are you going? Jamoga. I'm going to Accra.
When you are Moka Brofo.
Baguno Jani Baguno. And so you free. So yeah, I have castle and teach. You know, what are you going? I'm going to Accra.
Where you know,
I can be. That's me go school. Mekobi. O
school no kura da wan kwa sane wasi do mana ko school ntimi nyinim se brofo no mbeche
ko yayi asema mekanize medana nanum samanfu ase medana nanum samanfu ase pa ese me mani bi ani hwa wan ko suku obi kura sebe na yi ninim de wo fo mo kura ye o kira de wo yi secondary tenia nyagro medana nanum samanfu ase pa kuya nanum ye bia mame nanuma ye bia mame
sir
o ma boa me papa
na watwi wa probo wo fa de ko hin
ego ya mami nso no mo asema me ka ezimi nya nso
Jackson beto bia ba
ntunso donso ni bia me be ne che fridge mo wani mo sei na anu ada mo ko na mo ko to nso che bi ba na me se kaka ya aba ka che wo
onum nso e che fridge mo hu ayu
sa ko na na mo sei no mai o ma me se ya bitu Missy so grano, into me send that. None you saw the breme, a card that's a big to miss it. Quite a bonny. A queer. Sikaya. Yes, well, my Ghana dino. Yet, I am Jody.
Yes, it will be at 70 million, I say. A queer Jody. When you did free and Jenny. When you did free more. As well, my a car, ya dear. A queer, ya cha. Was it a Kanjira Ghana for na no na ya don wesi sen will be 70 million obetua
o pepepe
kan nyina de o sise say MB before buy ye wonum de o pepepe edio wotwe abeka ho
enya na ayi mambo frey mi wo fa se kin kankrata ya wo se ayi minister of the hino say enya na kura no
se kwadwo pon wo hu asem no minority fo no bisa ni o mo ka kosie ni say se aban no agebosia na ne owo a wode be kire adwuma a watumi aye ode be kire se mbuntudwuma ya ye ne bosia na ya gina we ne de aye no wo momfa me kire fi so mo hu adwuma aban ne di sika no aye na kwadwo pon kroma akire mu
akuyaye se ya kire ne di sika yo se ya kire yo o man na de ka ani ya chema ya mai 70 million ya wokan mo nyimi di mfirim eje ofadu menka ho encheme wu
no fadu ya wo man bia wo num nika
na ai ebidie ebroso na omo kano se wo de ko ai se you know what no and before ai wo mo nkwa ba mu no na ndisi fo omo so de ka ema omo be kan se so omo de ka kra bo mo fa nkoto chinchinga enwe ndi sa no bia beba no be boka ami a chen kai mi wo fa si ogina hoyi so nyi and then the car 70 million where they do the school fees kuya e car what dino digina hoyo e car what de wo so de na odi me de menka ho onyi me dem free mo enti say so man will be at the car 70 million at the end ya aye
nti ofa wo huni omo de aye wo
so yiri ye kuya e na me kana me boti mo fa so de mame mo fanso ni mame kuya ani adika yo
se kwadwo ponkro ma chirechire mu no se free senior high school
free dey yes ma wo yo mo no so ma free ani asi adika yo kuya ya kanoni Omampani kufu ekone ka hene wo enye eyi omosi opepepepe eyi emotwe Omampani kufu eko enye opepepepe million ngana zikana emotwe be ana eyi ndc for baye womosusu de ko eyi adunum ana MPP enzuaba ana fedie ni adunu no enti wedie yesremu ada ze musemo adisika na nyechicinga na modi awia munchire adwuma modi ayo yentumi mentumi mami wofa asefu ne memai memai mu aburuchiri omunyina ya Ghana for 70 million omuntimi ntua kura enti na yi main minister no wo ba be chire mu a wode ayi ba ko mo fani simple percentage o tede no de chire
na de hin no mfa nkyere
no e bede ho
enkontabu say ye kasi kasemu ye konkontabu
ba yifo na chiro say ye obepepepe abi otwe na oba ya wosuso de ayi percentage just one no e bede atiase chire ye say bia
na nti wonum kase ya ye mpuntudwuma yesi free senior high school no kura de si ensi enkwade ko school na senko obetua school fees ne sese wontua wonu di bi ye one district one factory one village one dam sani ema no wonu mo yeye no eno waka kire wonu so nti ase
ekuya na ye den enu ewe
unhu ye wo hu
enu ese enka me wo fa ase ne me nananum ede na asem na meka enti se ka wa ha ene ndi na ye de hu no mo ma ye hu eka no ayifu be ka ye amose nya no kuri na ni anga mo de ka o ma yi di aba na ka ye nya ya hu na fe ya do pa bi ni be ko do ze die yo ni aba betu o mai ka ana anya sa o mo beji sika na bai ekuya
sika bai
70 million o mo beji na bai da be no ma beji sika mi wo
fa se ka ni se ya ye nka se ye ba ho no mo beji sika o
mo beji
ye mo hu se ka o mai ni die ni eti wo mai nyina ye de ka na no ye mewura wo fie se wo fa due wo de ka ntitua wo fa du na atua eye japade no a twedi ampode adom ye no eno a ho ne edi tuatua ye ho aka ni
ndo mo fa sika no ma bom
anti a wo dwen say ye beba fi abeda wo ka
anti me se me nka ho no
o de bi yenye ne sa
wo ma ne dia na amode no ya chicha
yenye ne sa wo fa na me kura de ne mi hu ne se ebosia no wo nu mu amanyofo no a na ye ma ne ye hu efi se wo man bia no ebo bosia no ba ade a wo de be ye no ene wo se ye hu se bosia no a ye bo ye no enu nti na ne ye hu project wei ehu wei enkwada atumi ko school wei num tumi ye wei enu nti na ese nka kwa me nkroma cycle ensuo to efa nipa nkra ensuo to efa nipa
wakase mama
anase kumase ensuo to asese ni akoba ne se Ghana ha ba bia ensuo ne hyase se eto ana eyiri fa nipa enti e bia kwanya ye fa so ne ye planning ye cities no ye nkura akese no ye hu se ne ma nche da ntwa ye eti ye sesemu se redevelopment ne ye yo kwanya ye fa so ye adwuma no ye sanya ye bio enti se da achi wo bu nkonta no aka akire ye nse nanka ensuo to a na yebwe sika no bi ne ade ayenie sika no bi ne ade ayeni eno saa no de se wo bi begina nche na wofa wo be ka kire se wo man ne de ka ye hu ne ompanimfo no de ye ebi se ye ntumi muo man no wa abere be ka se o wo hia wo bi amoa
yo
enti o moma ye hu bosia na amobọ ye no de na mudi sika no aye
wohu na meka ho asem no enti me dia meko na mo mituma bonofo ene na mo ba na mitie wo ka yi mu se ema no maba wa no de ayi hihye hye omani ebetia mo mani afira ekuya pa mo chaw mo hwe ni ye ayi no ade
so ye fe na eyelashes yes maba asem ye di ne fe enti omo a wo maye o madwen so mbedie ne fi se me adaje ne se wo sori wunya wo ayi ntwoma wo wani mu ntwoma kakra na wo kwa kakra na ja wo pe ade ye de fe ye no ina de biafo ano no wo na mo ba bi na emom se mani achi nwini ho am se wo mi de bi kwotete na me pentimi nsa me ye de eno de ofa mi suesua mi ni ho adaje
eno de hompe enti ekoya me ko ene man timi amfa bi amero de kokko ani apantu
ena ma breme ho jeje wo hu se ya nzo de bibia begu ho
kokko kakra ena apantu body apantu ebi abre
okon ni nyina abre kam de bi fufuto
ndi bi wom na kom susia yina zabo fura no mame asota na no mani bi na ni mo sey enko betumi se
ade won se enwu no
na enwu ba ko tumi se mani bi zabo fura no ndi ko na no ada me se mo fa me nko mampani ho no obi en fa me nko ye
o pese ko mampani
me no nkomo
o de wiye achire ya ka ho asem me da se ofedu woni nyame nko
mo nyina bye bye
Uzia ofedu ni ate ne nka no eti enen nsem wadapono so ye di kan bobo so akire wo ye be hyase ne ne mpanimfo atwetwen nkomo na yahwe enen ye nsem a ye de ba ni nyina Asempa 94.7 FM so ene ye de efiri kukrantumi dwumadie so enie na abusua enei ebrebe so am ye bie nhoma no atuma ma so watumi e de wadwenkyere aba na yahwe sene ensem no esiko na watwinchi wahye wabusua hyase no eno na ye hwevi se butie nkyemu no a empanimfo bi ye wo mrahye badwamu eka efa chese sem mrahye badwani ye nadwuma ne ye beto nsafre no se ye hiawo e wo koto ebirban ne yetumi to nsafre mrahye badwani ema ne kokoto ebirban en wontumi enkro esase ye kase wo ye mrahye badwani nti wo nkokora de a menyi ni sane emrakuni no kano no enti birban enhyehyeye no enesen na watwi no akinye bebre na akoso wo mu ena menyi ni so se mama yarga nko ani nipa court wo be ko no mu bi emrahye badwafo nkono eno de special prosecutor no age atum na no a na chese majority leader de tu dwa so emrahye badwafo no bebre ene yede wodin atoto pono so a chese the request kura break speaker say ye mabomra na ye misebisa wano asem ena special prosecutor na babo nti say nye bebre bia ye nkron emrahye badwafo maako nkron ena katahye no ho proye ne kwadu yese omumwa manhwehwemu nkoso yabobo wodin enti no sesa nipa nyina ye befre bone a mu nyina be kama ama yarga brofo bi a kire se an na boko central fo na asoma yen enti si ye gya adwuma no hokọ enye yie eti me de me ye adwuma mrahye badwuma na se sen na niema besi akọ ye behwe ruling speaker man na wotwe mu di asem na speaker di tu dwa ye anu nti enam so ema mama yarga o ka se menko edura akire afa de enhu se a lawyer fo di na chi aboko ruling ni se court no mfrɛ mrahye badwafo no na ye mfrɛ wo bra parliament en city se bi adwoada a mon city ne ye mfrɛ wo ana se asem no wo kama ne kosi sen abusua ye bekom na eno mu nsem ye de ni nyina abrew na adwumadi ade brewi ehu aseda ye de ma keba monument mpanimfo ene abusua weda no wahu se ne esiko ye se ya sa agbowom ensuo no tosa na wunipa kro wo sasabura afi na ebedadie etunya keba monument a wo de mabi mewo abroche na wo abo no ba se eye duro ba ko pe eduro ba ko no obi agibie keba monument ebi hyehye wo ho eti eba ya na wayi na de atwitwi na niema ekoye ede amawo na abusua yankwa homa so ne lawyer Asempa private legal practitioner yene no enhyase wonne yensem a yede etopono so no emu na mame enchia lawyer ne yenko ntententem lawyer money o
money mi niaba
boko de
adom efa kwa nya so nchia but butifo ni ano pe
etiefo nyina je so na lawyer usika no nsa kan wie men's gold de no
o bad ding na na apia bad ding
ada wako Dubai wako hunu a wosesa niema ba
adum bia ekoye papa Dubai nti no weba
ekoye
abai ene men's gold cosmetics for no ebidi ni yi I think omu gusu tutu nyame yi nke definitely no cosmetics tabe komosika
evisa na no meti ya ne yese ejapade no a yokofo chese wodi animu a wo boabo anu no a ne ebehwe ne ade atuatua ka no na no obi so ka se wobi nipa ba ko bi wonu ni sika wo honom no ye ka sa ne mani nyina bom kra nsu ntua
I think na pia wo sika wo Dubai any other sika investment away any omo de nika I think say ye man kwan na odi no wo Dubai no oba obetumi mobilize all those money na atuaka nti ye wire shimu pa say sika ne de men's cosmetics binya ne sika
lawyer ujidi so
Papa.
Wo bi ansa be kan sika esiase.
Be kan ba ku sekra enira.
Na eso kasama men's gold ana.
They be some your customer.
Na customer wugidie so na kita fila so say dia say na mo anse say one na mo.
So say me obi a I didn't buy na man katentia na mo anda. Because let me first say on the men's customer didn't delay until say every man stop operating. To start more possible putting so who so men's good when they say customers edi kita ho. But I think say he's still alive. Men's good Men's good in that company. The executive and the management is still there, and also assets any money I will Dubai and other places so it's still alive. And the government is also on the real females good issue, no, and then idea going against the game into the Yoko. Any other institutions are still equivalent, which there's hope.
If you say me nimu fa 1 year wodi osika kwototo me de misika eto ha bre sem mensa aka no se base bibisi sei na ye sha ase eposi etua ma 1 year nye nipa ni nyina no onsaka enso wo de wo kana kokudum se obi ansa be kanisika.
Yes, because men's good issue is a special issue.
Special case.
A special one.
They na man yes special free DKM ne gestal motors ne woni akekan de ho.
DKM just pass no the to say owners no kote na yenim owners no were never visible. Omo tete ho. Men's good was visible. Now omo be pia na pia spread na pia nya branches na pia for the investi. Now you be obi enim no. Na eduma no ye no so. Say you can't say na only biaka.
DK Martin Delany just a motor see
no one visible. No more preto kusunane. Oh, I want to take that was sunane. It is until somebody who says na DK that DK between what to men's good. Ya men's good here na appear moi what legal fa or sponsor here or meet president. Delany no whatever. Men's good at airport, somebody will be a patrol. Your men's good here, no, and you're not DK for the patrol tank. Almost be no more year, almost will be. The organ of the organ of fire. And you know, Nana Pia operation, the brand no DK member to phone cry.
You, lawyer, near walking your bemu and your befre, and memswa your befre. Why? Ujidi nya sama why? Na lawyer emra ya sempa so na wotwi emra hyebedwam nsem we firi ho no mo efa emra hyebedwani ma omanfo ye oboboko central mama yarga se court Martina Midu special prosecutor charges a wode kwadu ahodo ode abono no woto nsafre no womra court mama yarga reply ya wode ma yese wono de boko central for na asoma ne se wo meya adwuma wote mrashebedwam ye adwuma se koba ne se na wodi court akoniaba ye frɛ no a ne edi ne kane mra ya ye de ama no ebo ne ho ban ye tietia ne fa ahudie so ne etoso mienu ye mma no kwan so ma ne nsom ne manfo sa asemi enne ne Ghana fo bi ka se da bi ye wo mra wo manti se ne pese ye kan se obi ye mrashebedwani di a won de mra no oboro so ana kire ye mu kakra mrashebedwafo akwanya wo ho no momma wo fa mramu so obekɔkɔto babia esie kire mayen
mesre I think say yenya wo Ghana na yaja tu say constitution and the be into bia se constitution ase and tu no to me pa ehye Ghana for some institution be niwa in Ghana here or your sovereign. There's no institution be including parliament. Sovereignty doesn't reside with them. Omo yenkwa. O share your constitution chapter 1 was sovereignty reside in the people. Ghana for na to me niya dia. To me no Ghana for niya dia. Any parliament here Ghana for akwa. Ye na yaso mo so mo ko dia nemu. And a parliament also shembras here. And Ghana have also your friend big division of labor. So separation of power. Institutions were independent. Institutions be didn't or be now the institution be obi ntumi interfere enti no edi kan no yen can say parliament uye parliamentarian na your laws that govern parliament na laws that govern parliament no ema parliament immunity ema parliament to me the actual parliament yes parliament eye in parliament ye bibia obi ntumi fie tiri me chene say na parliament working but o title la yes no honorable no make sure so be honorable things we are parliamentarian na udi no kware umokro no na wo hwe so ye odwuma obi ni uni asem but the moment they are parliamentarian now be ko do be fra corruption ho ane krono rape murder kind who say o try to honorable no suspect about ho now the moment that suspect about one ya bo ko edu no you can never enjoy privilege. You cannot enjoy your privilege fully. Somebody say, look, there's a difference between privilege and a right. Immunity and a right. Every criminal be a right, but who need immunity and who need privilege. Every criminal be a right. And your parliament pay. Every criminal be a constitutional right of the criminal. Say one, we a criminal who right to fair hearing. Say you be the one we are criminal, you to be we are criminal, when I say, to be court, my way in Ukata. It took also consumer criminals go right, but privilege there. The moment that they no but so only privilege, or privilege, or court, or willing to a court,
Say lawyer sani a wo kan say criminal bia we no ye improve say or ye criminal charge and ye dey ato no so ye dey charge no to so keka we lose some minute no.
Yes, definitely allegation. You have been charged. So different. You have been charged. What did be ato so no only so be ayarigani other members of parliament no.
Asempa FM.
Oh, what fa be to so a who so you are saying what be to so a o clear ho a etina bia what be to be so a what say set aside resign because ye be to so je you hwemu. That's what it means. I didn't know other parliamentarians, no. To me, other parliamentarians, no. Almost free because Bibia no so. But who the Bibia other faro? What the allegation to so? There were possible say over evidence that or their touch or their court. No cardio. And they say no who face charge and who face charge no. Minya the papa constitutional man to me. I'm on the point and the privilege right and the privilege. The papa constitutional man right to pay. Say onu die on court who to be charged no a president under position no president depend on odi or who to be fact charging bono who to be someone on court and the person who get a juma poa just after 3 years answer who was saying be told so that so onu position am declare. Apart from that, no, Obibiara, including parliamentarians and everybody, you're too suffer or quarter, that's all.
Yeah, Bribia, near Tun Safra, where was so quick. He said, Ebra, Onumu and Shaya, Wojina Swamama Yarga King, Ebra parliamentarian Nam Kwaswa walk parliament, Wabra warrior Jumasa Brininano, Sanya walk and yet the charge and the Tunoswa, some privileges Nina, as I say, new one year to meet Etchen Bribia, yet to me friend Bribia.
Yes, because as some and also na Ufesi court, Tio, the simple thing. Ubayani say, Uye honorable member, Uwe DBD or parliamentar. Odi I say, and yet to be Uko court, Ucheme, Uko court, Mauka Judge, my lord, Mama, me person be started try, but at the same time, no, my lord, me wait to me be the anti-patrol anytime. You may agree, my patrol, my agree on the date. That's what you do. My lord, who could anyone say, my lord? May MP or the one the charge of bomb so me back court every day, member court, member every day, but at the same time, no my lord, me wo edumedi I am be or parliament. I said me wo parliament. Now as someone wanted to me to no Lord say me you're innocent until proven guilty. And you know, me say many court no adwin na fadeka my lord what take into consideration say me MP you know fadeka ever convenience me. That's what you do. That is what to do.
And in say we been to me nkase me nko because Boko Central for asma me nko because me community was a year in kitawudie between the legislature and judiciary me say bia mo wan yenko ni say
good.
But mebo lawyer nyanwanwa e say ye kama ama yarga lawyer ni ma party say wo na dwuma a wo ye any arguments ahoro a wo raise ye e was fra ye fra ni mu na wo ka se ni nyina no che se ye no bo apayo se wabu na ni aguso ana se mra no no ni mu
binya ye ne medu ye bo apayo because na opeso o raise controversy opeso gather public sympathy among the party faithful and the first opeso or the judiciary legislative bomb now winning sympathy from the legislature it what here on my or your toy and my MPs who say hey I don't know judiciary person or take a family so until he was able to convince leadership of parliament and then parliament majority and minority and my parliamentarians who say hey I then judiciary person buyen I say court person or take a family so and he succeeded but you see the MPs no someone who say almost soon take court and a court soon tomu judge the oye le dumatio you have to be judicial power say ye di asem
Asempa FM
ye ka asem no nipa ye bisa to me amano say only asem ka asem ye court and you have to be final judicial power meaning assembly ye be bia no be bia wo fie wo bontin so wo djuma so e be bia ye be bia no e court and the court man exercising final judicial power. So who dare the Speaker of Parliament say we commit Parliament? Now what I say, me ruling. Who ruling no? And so final. And you know, OBI the BI any court for judicial review. And you know, when a court now yaman of final judicial power. And you know, say oh assembly BBT wajuswa. And your court now give to the and you say somehow. Na court say bra what they say you only the be yan say ayariga anya issue public issue now one starting debate no there man tiamidu no there court na aka we dey simple job any step aka only po onko obeka chance say for letter of adjournment letter of adjournment na a letter no dey come registrar of the court no aka registrar of the court oh ayariga saka Samos, but unfortunately, no, and then no, or yeah, you may be our parliament, and then the who for no, and now be no, or say court no, and two cases no, and shut down way say, no, media, judge, the pension. You put other person for you to be fair court, yeah, the letter court, either put the excuse due to the court, either saw yare, either say, Bia, we went to Mamba, either say, what to quiet, and your friends are here for court. And me, my okay, me clients, and who come here, your first case, no. Thursday, my court market, my lord, me clients, your case, that cannot, or come here, and your follow the flight on the ballon, try to my bite, no. My lord, yes, you case in next week, remember. Yeah, you agree, but the moment, oh, yeah, no, constitutional issue, now, I don't know who judge, I don't know who lawyer, I don't know who be, I don't know, so no, system, I say, no, and you find out, and you don't know what kind of constitutional. And a constitutional why no judge say made a constitutional now why interpret the constitutional interpretation of the constitutional and the president of the court parliament which one is say you make laws executive no implementing the laws interpretation and enforcement of the law no and the judiciary and how dare parliamentarian afa uya law at the same time no person implement it who yes why you interpret that makes sense. It violates the principles of separation of powers. And we are MPR. We are MPR. We know, you invite to a court, no? Now, my lawyers, not so, we need here, and no, why explain the India, that no one to member. Judge me Kaya, judge me Mama, the next court date. Then you can make arguments. What put the name notes on my lord? I think that my bar with protest. My bar court, no. But under protest. No one raise the issues of constitutionality there. My lord, me my kind constitution, but I think there is a provision that say to me interpret you will say they be a bit of court and they date we want me to be back. Until my lord, make a ruling on that. Then make a ruling. Office a ruling, no, and now they are not there for Supreme Court. Now, I'm not the DNA about judiciary. Any respect about the institutions of government. Okay. But what do you do? Why you a parliamentarian, executive member, and I same time you why you judge? Who dare you? And listen to me. I'm so disappointed in the speaker.
Asempa
any majority leader, any minority leader, only the speaker only price obey ruling. I'll say that ruling have to by the court. Look at the question. All come back to the law school. Look at the missing million pound. So all come back to the law school. Or your speaker only for parliament.
But lawyer, what you someone or can yes say who need some more can you no can be in your year and say or best judiciary ne say best or more chunsa friend members nibia they should do it in a way say any adwuma and mashebedwa 4 year no like emebweni hawo adwuma aboye it is say they work say ya desrede appeal na bi ni
oni ukwan so obese no ocho say only opportunity certificate. What is it called here? On the certificate, call here, that you book here. On the certificate, call here, say, why you ruling say, my parliamentarians were immunity. The judge to me, and I tell you book here. No, I tell say, who here accused person only immunity. And man can say so part or a certain who speaker tell parliament. Who can say parliament the issue look barely him. And what can so own rule on it, not that in one judge. No, for so I say judicial power. All rule on it, or they come back court to ensure the only one canoe. That is something we say, speaker no, one respect the court no. One respect the court no. Quickly no. What can the rule no? What can you say? Look, me ruling be and you find out. Because me parliament no, interpret him and so enforce him because as a speaker of parliament, I'm disappointed in him. So in himself, you don't have final judicial power. Who knew quite say over interpreting law?
And lawyer, when he say you say Martinami do office at Diatum, say parliamentarians and would deem one crata so will be here one amawa boa shrimua, war ye fakata shene proyemo, majority enum. Minority and nine. Se kwabane se ya chun sa fresa nipa nkuni nyina mumfiri mrahye badwa momesene ya de mo ko monko boa nhwehwe mu se ne ne wo kan wo so de nya de srede ma wi no se mpanimfo no adwuma omo ye na da bia nkono no momesene da bia nkono mom ha wa adwuma wo ye
da bi minia o ya argument no o ya o say there's a difference between nhwehwemu and ya start you court o ye nhwehwemu a Obecho Parliament, they be or speaker of parliament, speaker of parliament, and the main member back be at the time very convenient. So, Manembra, that's what it does. But you tell you there, that the young part of you kill. You tell you what, young part of what will be a charging a criminal offense. You have a choice on back. What do you mean? What do you mean? One more who is suspect. Who is suspect? That's what you suspect. Who will be a suspect, and even beyond suspect, who is accused. Accused a serious issue.
You
and you don't come and tell us say we accuse her. Maybe another court. It wouldn't be. So your mouth only as I expect. Oh Jesus Christ. Kamila, your mouth fire. Monday to Sunday, Monday to Friday. No, make it just say may call parliamentary duties. Parliamentary duties. So you know upon the people. So you know you say or and now concern them for Bolia. Parliamentary duties. Me come with that here. And Okobe Biaba or Usha possibly me parliament never. And if from Monday to no Saturday no Bolga. And you will say every day be over yourself, me need time. Because what? Me are busy, me are parliamentary duties. Parliamentary duties me no only me office. Me two pay, me kwe ye, me are saying I can wait to know that been done over court. Or say it China me not time ma. And to that they so the whole year. I just get no time, man. No, see, I mean, no time to train. No, one more, no, go back. I'll go back on 6 months. Are we normal in this country? Are we normal? Is it what we want? Who interpret the constitution now? You said it be, you interpret it to meet the hope and aspiration of the people. there are rules of interpretation. And the rules of the way we interpreting law is different from the way we interpreting constitution. Constitution, we interpreting that the court will say it's a living document. Now, interpreting in such a way, say, ever meeting the hope and aspiration of the people. You're interpreting only with the letter. Every constitution has a spirit. Spirit means that the purpose, formation of the constitution, and what is the spirit and what is the inspiration and purpose and then aspiration of Ghanaians say, Yempe. And every Yempe could have said, Yadio Bay, Yadikata for Biwa, and say, Yakoyashimu, Nakot, Nidi. So, no, so fine. And who do we get say, Parliament, a constitution, and say, parliamentarians here, Sabi, Yadikono Opa, no court, Opa, uncle, because members of Parliament, who told you that between, who told you that between the constituency, all represent the constituency, any one day cannot, which one is important? Between all the constituency, all represent your what is the constituency? So almost all more expressive say, corruption party, employer corrupt around him. Yes. When we constituency be a just say, employer corrupt, you create this kind of fire. No. The bullet and not Boko constituency crano. The aspiration is say, I got Uncle the body, but rather no about your development project. And it is the chrono to the MP Swa. It is in the interest of Boko constituency. The representative say, the MP no call clear the whole court.
Yo, na lawyer se fufra mama yarga kro ya dia betum ye se Martina Midu emrama ne ho kwai ni dibro okitamo se wono wo betumi de na gina mra no se ni age no wabro so enti ono kra no wonye nipa na se mra no man ho kwa se with the age no anka enwo se yo tumi du position ne man no wo betumi aka so do ono no kokoto ni amisu minim ni se owura Dominica nyini wadi ka de asem ya kokoto ama ho nsem aba na mama yarga san kosi wo ho se ni agenti wontumi mfa ni nyina mra no yi
onim mokache ayarga se oyelo ni mapaya mo mpuli ni mas special positano enye matabudum property o special positano enye office no it goes beyond Matiamidu and then Matiamidu only what special posita ewo ho. In fact, special posita no office biara no artificial person. Office na setting the parliament na setting here. No, the setting it by statute. Enti a person. Ekra the personality obi betu sue office no office no sue. Enti Matamido per se no one individual onye SP onye the chief poster. Enti na concept poster your board your other executive members. Enti if you go and attack Matamido in there only one boy. Where attack the successful of
lawyer dan hu ye kakra me na wa homa na hyase etwetwasi. Hello lawyer but
okay
na wo kire mu fa office no na the individual na woda no
good in law no so put no ya the statute na create no na statute no man no artificial personality meaning some office no a company any pa you better to sue no and different from the members and the next step sabi na me pengu Matamidu another say or part say charge na board so you see okay mu ka charge ga sempacho o do me any senior law but usunya company law me say no monku ni mase check and then Matamidu be to say matchimo okay me agent no matchimo and you hear obi manu be poskutu it is so no office no only Matamidu put not here.
But say ono me ba lawyer me ba say onu hu ni say Martina Midu because of ni age nanka nwose position no po kitem no wo se wonu nti no wontumi emfa no nkokoto a ne bon wa wabon ne say say ne say mu be change nipa no a mu change mfa foforo mra wa ready so obeko
refi me see institution na na kokoto any individual me see institution na na kokoto any individual, any near mathematics, I mean, time or on your reputation, or yes, vigilante.
Send your mama, Yarga, my father, no, my father be any say, office, no mumuna,
office, good, office, court. Then you matamidu. Matamidu to be no court, because all this has to be no. Office, no, they were court. And no office, but you say, oh, now, over to the Fufraba. This is the issue. And I some couple Supreme Court. Supreme Court to come with them. You can't want them really. It's what are you talking about? The judge is interested in, and then they prosecute you. Some now ban you are no allegation out to so. And you are remember country say who should the pakuno demba or the pakuno or the enemy or caution. Then they say who can someone some now that who so yes, me found who the pakua or person prosecute to me. Some that Opa for Jesus Christ, cover about some crab. I'll face you.
Yeah, that's it, lawyer.
That's legality, no? You're fraud.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Pioneer education out there, my and no pay. Yeah, that's it. Lawyer Asempa, yeah, lawyer ni, and I say, what they enchimu amayeno near. Senior na watching na manfo bebre hu dwa won ne utie nipa no a na parliamentarians ne pese o mo chese ye nko na mra ni die ne wo buru so ana enchemu en wode amaye no yeguso e wa Asempa 94.7 FM so kukrantumi dwumade ne yeguso e de brewe na mensa saba e de we fi north central so na eba wo se ABY e wo se mama yarga hu se wo ye parliamentarian no e ma wo nye superhuman emma wunye nipa enchen wo bia wo magimo emra ne de ye adwuma e wo magimo eti mama yarga hu se ye de mra na ye adwuma eti se breso ne ye frɛ no a wonko sila sodum so e de ye abode abani o se bi wa mechia wo na mama yarga ntumi mfa mra no enhye ne nsam nya ne ono ankasa wo pe medi we efi Dubai e na eba Alfred Kojo Traders so e de ye ode aba o se bi wa ye lawyers no majority ye wo magimo omo ye hypocrites nyatwempa na sa nipa no wonumu eye wutie wonsem a woka ne sa ne osi ye bonema bi fa etoda na enwanwa Kojo Traders mesa baso na mame nkona mene lawyer Gary Nimakoma for entwa so private legal practitioner sa ne mesi education ye hia eza na wotwi amanfo te ye na amam webibuafu ene mmahye badwadwa na ede se wo mmahye badwani ne se ye de charge to no so a wo ye parliamentarian ti minute nti wo enwo so okwa education na lawyers no de maye no lawyer good morning.
Good morning Miniaba. I say
adumo na so
ebia woko
yeda Yesu ase eda so ase se waje so anopai de emra no na ye gimu nkyeremu gi ho adesua efa emrahye badwafo bambo a wowo fa se ye de kwa adu aba obi ye hia ne koto bra otumi ko bra wontumi nko mama yaiga die na ne ye de aye case study ye de hwe na watwi ne esi ye mama yaiga se da bi boko central for asoma me mo mpese me ye adwuma momo enti no enya de se metiase eni speaker runi ya bode baaye enkrata ye ode ko koto ye nhwe lawyer na watwi uti nsem nyina bi enwo nsem ne sen
Mama Chow, Miniaba, Sancho Tifonina. I saw what Maka was. I don't know what you interview in here. It's a very, very simple matter. And I say, Krumha, one, so be Ejina Shamasi. If you're Mampaniso, I will see any commonness. Ejina Shamanasi. I'm not a boy in a home by. I'm not a trade, the Enye. A member of Parliament, Sabi, Amano and Sonsen. Oha the man panikwa so oswe say obu the mraso kumha it me found the flag kunyaso to be a member of parliament doesn't mean say obu mraso. That's the first point. Second point and so say Roma say your constitutional presumption of innocence meaning say will be charged so what the money be the fact of being charged it doesn't mean say what default. Let me repeat again. The Chroma say your constitutional
Asempa FM
presumption of innocence. Say you charge you. So what the money be? It doesn't mean say what default. It means say we are innocent until nipa wa charge one. What they in so about court. now we prove their guilt or otherwise. Court by an assessment. When an assessment in the area, no court who say, as much as 20%, they pay what for, and I will need for 3 bit submission of no case. That is, so when to me and meet the minimum threshold, a chess say, bed they also prove, send the power with the one no. When they meet the minimum threshold, cramp for the end and do a quantity and able to go coffee. And the fact of charge, it doesn't mean anybody is guilty. Number 3, parliamentarians' immunity and privileges. It relates to what they do when they are in parliament, when they are going to parliament, when they are doing parliamentary work. Let me repeat again. Parliamentarians for immunity and privileges relates to when they are in parliament, when they are going to parliament and doing the work of parliament. Some council of parliament, we cannot take them to any court. So, for charge you or move for BBR. You can't them will be no, they are immune. What happens after parliament, there is no immunity covering parliamentarians. And that fact should be made very clear. No, be answers here. Now, the parliamentarian need a parliamentar, which means 7 months. So, if the parliament is bad, it would be 7 months. Why parliamentary work out means 7 months. Now, Mama yala gana to ochoko ma speaker. Odi bi ma matiamedu. Asab no na ko so teacher. And say Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yeah parliamentary work. It message say date be court no yenya na Monday. Na Monday there we don't sit on parliament and I can make it. Now, say yeah, you more court no. Court require unless under special circumstances no. We don't see day by day. We don't see day by day. Okay, so no back one. Na ajene e bia na otwemi enu, bia na otwemi ansa, bi kwa boso me. Enti so bia Monday na bi ba court wa. It's a simple matter. Oh, asem no a odi be court no Tuesday. Come say, man no afo nyina mbra na yes court say. Tuesday no any favor for me, and therefore I will come to court on Tuesday on Monday. Very simple. But to say, Anna, you can't take me to court, and me immunity, and I have to represent my people in Boko. Yes, nobody can say MP cannot represent the court for Boko. Nobody can say that because anything of parliament or. But the fact say, we will not represent people of Boko does not mean, when you are charged with a criminal offense, you will not be in court. Let me repeat that point again. Me say, MP also representing court for Boko. Now, the fact say you have been charged with a criminal offense, it doesn't mean that you cannot appear in court. And you cannot stretch parliamentary contempt to include court proceedings. You cannot stretch parliamentary contempt to include court proceedings.
Asempa
You cannot, because court proceedings are legal in nature. They are legal in nature. When you are charged with a criminal case, you have to appear in court in person. When you are charged with a criminal case, you have to appear in court in person. That is the law. That is the law. You can't say you are appearing in court as a witness, and that's 118. Because on 118, you are appearing as a witness, but here you are appearing as an accused person, not a witness. So you have to appear in person. You understand? It's the law, you can't law now. Me, I talk the law as it is, devoid of any political partisanship. Because law, and here back, as a politics, it's a different matter altogether. And when you are talking law, you talk law. You're talking politics, you talk politics. And see, yes, all right to represent the for that's why Parliament trusts Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. But I don't see why it cannot appear in court on Monday or even every Monday if the court directs to. But what was filed in court, say, or certificate say, or more yesterday, or more, what was the certificate say about a witness, and the 118 year. That one, it will not apply.
enu ntina na mi bisa wo yonko lawyer ni mo Asempa se ne ebeba ne sen mo lawyer fo emu ni mo ho ye fa obi ti se mama yaga wunnim ni muduro fa law adwuma no ho eye den no obi ti se be ka se me the argument we yi ba ya abo ankasa na wo bomu ntokuro se enke wo so otwa ne sei enne kura de foforo de abatwum ne se matena midu age nti wontumi emfa ni nyina mra no eye boa payo anasa ne wo ka no politics na di kan ya bansa na law no ba mu
what make say law the politics now you make mistakes
Asempa
lawyer ni a fraud say be kasa we so you busa political matter you answer political questions you busa legal matter answer legal matter. You don't make the law and the politics at the same time. Well, yes, you make a terrible mistake in the law. And so because we are MP, let's say charged with a criminal case. Let's say you cannot put MP before court. If I can't say who and not possible. We are MP. Let's charge with a criminal case. You have to appear in person.
Dear Nebema Mama Yarga, yes, I say ABM minim. So say nam person.
I know there are many about it. I know they meet me Yanomano. Also, many trim. So no, many trim. That share constitution. Now share the articles now relate to parliamentary privileges and immunities. When you can serve a parliamentarian with a court summons, whether criminal summons or civil summons. When you can talk about contempt of parliament, so will be AMPD parliamentary work and contempt of parliament. Now, can you say that the fact of appearing in court is impeding parliamentary work? When you have been charged with a criminal case, that you appear in court and say you are impeding parliamentary work, so it's contempt of court. It can't be contempt of court. It can't. Because the court proceedings are legal in nature. If you're charged, you have to appear. That's what I'm saying, sir. The first point I say in nature, there's a presumption of innocence. The fact of being charged with a criminal offense doesn't mean that we are guilty. It is not true. Because the charges what the money are a mere charge, a mere allegation. You don't make proof of the crime, a mere allegation. That's try and shots, yeah. Let the poor charge one or the Nina swore about court. And for the evidence, at the back court, I'm a bone crow. The bone crow, we get to one. I say, why are you no? If they can meet the minimum threshold and call what you call a submission of no case. Also, you Diano, also you are nation, we are not called me evaluation. Also, there be a same way by in a swing about Togu. A same way by in a room at my convicting the panel. What you say? But at this stage, dear, I am too early for anybody to even presume guilt. Too early. And at this stage, national, Mama Yaleta cannot say he will not appear in court. That one because he's a parliamentarian. That one, to be illegal, it means that you are telling the Ghanaians, say, parliamentarians cannot be charged and put before court because they are parliamentarians. That is not the law. That is not the law.
Na fofora wodi abetumu fa Martina Midu age hudie no eno so Martina Midu because sani age no wabro so ne yedi position no ama no nti no wontumi emfa mama yarga nkoko to sani e wo
age no it's a matter for judicial decision because say no that age asem no Supreme Court so okukaya ya me apanyini Dominica ine kale case no dia tia Martina Midu say ni age bro so any other day. I know your Supreme Court will decide that. Until they decide that matter, no. But tell me this is a special prosecutor. The Supreme Court will say, that's a good decide one way or the other. Then we can discuss it. But as a stance on idea, he's a special prosecutor. Until otherwise directed by the Supreme Court in future. And the other day, I will not even go there at all. I won't even go there at all. But the fact is very clear. Say, you're a member of parliament. It doesn't make you go above the law. Una kwa yam na se nyina enim na so e nyina hye na se na fo nyina sabe fo yam panye so to obia even judges for kwa so hye na se so enim sa me ne ba judges for kwa na mudi mra na adwuma ne bumra no o mo hye na se judge ni ko ye bone a ye de mana na punish judge ni no then the judges will say they are the ones mo ye implementation and mo application of the law ni they also above the law. And a police worker say almost and it's not like that. judge for, polity for, a lawyer for, judge for, journalist for, Obia, Ashemanasi. That is why society should be ruled by rule of law, not rule of men. Ashemanasi. And the what do you say? A parliamentarian cannot be summoned before court because a member of parliament they say and you're not correct. That is not the law. When they call you about as a lawyer, you talk law. When as a politician, you talk politics. You lawyer me na was ni mfonsi anopen. Me about me na lawyer Gary Nimakon legal practitioner ye wo omagimo na wonso edinchemu abano na eno na de me call message ya minua yi ede aba odro kani ede ya wode aba se bi wan ede ntina a lawyer fo wo mayimo wonim nyina sukuu ba ko no wokoro obi awie mokola nanso eba ensem edapono so ensem a etoda ekotia woni a obia ni interpretations you are just wode eba na ye nhwe emra no ba bi edade minim sane ye beka ye firi mra no mu no na ye adwuma etie mfa ho ni obi beka ye hwe ne se mra no ebega adwuma odro kani wode free Kumasi so ame constituency na eba kwadwadu pa konso de ye ode aba o se ebi wan kachire yima me mama yargama me say sa matena midu age no a wo kan de Supreme Court na wo sane lawyer yi aka enti sane amanfo kan say na wo ye Harvard lawyer ye Harvard lawyer na kacha nse onko prove wo court o ye Harvard lawyer onko prove wo court na nye enkrata mu na da bia betwere adwa ye ho na awi a wo de Harvard abehihya se abedwa nipa ho Kofi Agbeko mata hi so ede ye ode aba wo de din no an otwere ye no ogya no honom Godfred Owusu bana hene se ebiwan yamna shebedwafo take advantage wo mra no mu emra ya yese emma wo ho ba keke no na bibie mo pese o take advantage double salaries no onum age es gracia na wo onum age me kura de hwe me de afutu a me de mampanimfo ne se es gracia no mo ende no now na sa mra na buntumi ntache ne ye mra shebedwafo ne ye ma shebe eni asa na tie dia na chese ye ne aka ye ti Ghana de mra mo ye ho ban ya na onso ne de ye ode eba en Godfred Owusu bana hene Ahmed aso de ye ode aba eni o se bi wa me chia wa no pay na ka che okay na lawyer ka brofo dodo wo hu nchire muna no odi atudwa no Wellington Junior so ede eni Wellington ade o se bi wa me hwe ofi New York na me chia mo papa ye da maseni adwuma mo ye so mo my Ghana na mabusua ye wo o my Ghana mu Wendy Opoku ade ne John Opoku ade wo mu nyina e wo dan so my first stop chia wo ma me pa na me ba Junior so three exams juada beyi me wish you good luck ene enkwada three exams wo mu kwatwero sini nyina mu nyina Nyankopon wonka mo ho nana kwamche nyame nka mo ho papa na wo mama adwe amode betwere na traders de no a wode eba ye na mesa kombio na traders ye bi wai sane America no lawyers ye bo mayimu dodo no a wo mu ye hypocrite so nimni enti America sa emrakuni ni nyese o mo nti ase o mo ti ase papa o mo ti ase nimra no nanso eduru se asem no enkomma wama nyoku anase enkomma woni a obehwe no wo chiacha no articles no wo kotu dandan no a eti ebi ye nya atwem papa sa a lawyer for no a wo omayimu no o se ebi why me o se me wish say Gary Nimakon be kasa the same way senior MPP member of parliament or kasa same MPP member of parliament Kojo Traders samum Charles Robe so ede eni was e bi why 34% ya wo NDC amanyoko no mu o se den 34% for NDC in 2020 okay Germany and wadi we free Frankfurt or say NDC amanyuko 34% and wobenya Michael Mokeso de ye odiaba or say good morning George na so edie eni George na wo de reply na wo de ma sabi ya make say enche ye beko na empanimfo esi adwayi ye be hyase na ansa na no ma me fa frefo ba kumienu na ye nko yanim ebresem messages ne ye be kenkan dia fam sa me fa frefo di kan hello sabajo minia abogene boko de boko ye de ho ase to asoma ye majesty
I want to have fine.
You, I want one. Nyannya so be kwadwofo
on the kwadwofo
to asoma ye
we papa yo hinia so utwe da na o rese wo
to asoma ye
isa watwa Ghana card no am da batema yes show mu
Asempa FM
show mu fa me pese me to fire am so o majesty there na na agent no be to fire am de no ma application enkoyi na sa watwa another one say obi passport wu a am so ntimi register and so o man kan wa mo so you can bring passport Wama kata passport you are. Nti na so mo indicate
na sa nipa no woni voters ID.
O voters ID but na passport ewu a am so mo to register no. So nti no wama kata no ye yanko school but if you nyaka ka dey count no mo indicate here o. So ba twa me come asem so. O da last nka to say Sam George betu no. Ngusu kan ye be say tu. Na is about to even national chairman of NDC. On bomb that ye no court and do court. Nti parliamentarian menya wa jinse o bomba so na ba to a me nu gunje na ba to a MPP fusia college amo be papa maka
na chese mo side ndem mo mre MPP fo na ebre
mi wie na masa ba ye so amo be ti maka wa sema anti last 2 weeks and e papa na nadu official college nya na o show mo there so okacho mo but ona woni o mfi say skabi wo o mo muska some can catch us again. I didn't. How much Ghana yedin? Why, Mamma see? About the imagine say, the count them to the time I ever from the count.
Majesty,
yes,
do fear some.
Hey, Ghana,
send your walking. Or Moko, any more muska, send can also walk. Can you see come?
Japan come on. Some come out them no. Japan 2 million to the
bye bye.
Now, that's what I'm bye. Me ba. So
hello.
Hello.
Majesty ubre no aso. Abusian homa de adwuma no 0302216545 and 0302216546. Hello.
Hello.
Minia udini baby afrefe.
Agenda 1 mi fefe kwa benya.
Yo agenda 1 kwa benya for ho ya so maye.
Ya ho ye. Yo mama ntia me mama ele kule makrugu. Mama we di the we sala ni ade odi ye kremofo no. Wa bo mo papa ye che mo nyina so ma ye kire odoma mo. Mama ele kule me chia o. Ene ye man panyi dada John Dramani Mahama so me chia no. Mama sani ana ye kikai. What was it? Parliament. This is the time I was saying that Syria college. Yeah, yeah, mu pressure. So yeah, mo who say sabi. Yeah, inti. Eno mo ko jimra no mo ba ye ni mo ne ye na ye campaign ma mo na mo ye den. Mo ba mo ko parliament. It is a mo ko parliament na mo be din ye hu mo da mo because enye bia address ya no kakra wo ho a ye de be mo ha sabi wo kwa o de be kwa koyo hu yi. Inti e bio na ho ya ya ma car allowance, ya ma accommodation allowance, even wardrobe e bi mo ye sure so mo di. Inti e bio. Inti adwuma na mo se dia o mo boa o man no eye aketua o. Mi ade o mo ye awe eye aketua. Enti omu gumu kakra na be nsu yeso ye nkwan ni ye ma say amafo per health insurance are register to take Ghana kwapo ni bi enti na dey na sa asekai omu timi fa mwa. Oh my God.
Yeda se mini awoni odiaba. Hello.
Hello, good morning, mami.
Good morning, Eja. Udini baby afrefe.
Yo, ya feme Stephen Oheneba Osei. Me ka fa fe nananom.
Yo, mini
12 jama.
To asoma yen.
Yo, amesa I was emra son say ye che Syria college no. Ye duty and I say adwuma I was parliamentarian so omoye. Na atoda bi aya na obi ba radio so no kasa bebre asi say parliamentarian no. Ye ma mo ka free. Ye mo light free. Ye mo water free. Ya na no shi na parliamentarian atoda bi kwa. Enyo omo ye to aba mo na omo tete na enyo omo. Ese bia sika wo mo se no bo so le be so ankasa na wo mo pay na ankasa wo mo de ka. Oh, na Syria college ni ade tie hu ona bodi aye ona bo wasema me pa cho. Emra so se wo se Syria college no. Ye kire wo mo se ampa. En se obi a ehu se parliamentarian de ya mo ka free se de wo mo kan because ka na ye de mo ka ye low. Ana wo mo je ye fa nche wo mo te se minister ana se obi a government appointee bi. Omo de ya to aba mo nanso ya di bibia credit to o my santete di boso be so no bo so mo pay na nkata aka ketua bi enti mesrawo ana NDC for Syria college ni bi so wa omo agene se ya to aba ma omo ayi de awo se wɔn nyɛ sika anaasɛ yɛtua wɔn bosome ɛsan sɛ bebree nankasa no wɔn nhyɛ dɛm ni adwuma wɔn yɛ nyɛ ndc fo nko including MPP si akɔlɛt ni bi mepa ɔkyɛw sɛ wɔn aban wɔ power ɛno nkyerɛ sɛ wobɛnya a wɔsɛ definitely adwuma a woyɛ no wɔsesa na wɔkɔyɛ adwuma foforɔ mepa ɔkyɛw ma wɔn nte ase anaasɛ yɛma wɔn hu sɛ ɛyɛ ɔman ne ho dɔ ɛne o party ne ho dɔ nti na wɔfrɛ ana wɔfrɛ nso anyɛ nsɛmhu biara na wɔbɛka ɛsan sɛ wowɔ nya kwan na wɔafrɛ wɔ radio so ɛwɔ sɛ wo kasa fa adeɛ a ɛma ɔman no kɔ nya nkɔsoɔ mepa meda ase paa
yes yɛda ase me nua wɔ ne wode aba hello
me nua ba ma kyɛ
yɛmo asuani
oh mami wahunu me
ayo to aso
e wo wo afa ɛno de kwa wunta so no aso so
fo afa so so na to aso asu
ya me fa so so yo me koma mu dia mam kyia onabo bodo opon enkroma MPP obon ho mɔden papa eso mampani ne kufa do sɛ papa ne mu yie mami pa ɛna papa ba ko mbɛbɔ ne din wɔn so bɔ ne ho mɔden papa yɛ fɛ ne Fred Anson OGRA papa nso bɔ ne ho mɔden mampani ne kufa do sɛ papa ne mu yie pa OPK ba bi obi a me kyia o ɛna onabo Brian Champon abiti PMP ɔno so me kyia ne papa mami me koma asɛm so a sɛ emra ne de ɛsi we soja ni o we police ni o wo se soja ni ye bɔne a wɔna soja fo ni twena so tu nim de police ni ye bɔne a se akire no adanti na wo bam na ye MP a wo de wo ye bɔne a wo mpase ye betwa so me sre Ghana fo mpanifo mo mamra ne eni obi a enye hia fo nko we sika ni o we hia ni o ɛsi mradi wa ediu enye hia fo nko na mradi won da bi o asema me kama kɛto ne sɛ ɛdi fo no ba won sɛ ai ndapa no sɛ o former president o mama wo ye Ghana kwan nyina afɛ de won sɛ o mampani ne na kufa do o mɛyɛ kwan timu so wo ye Ghana kwan nyina na kwan bɛ na o sɛ o mampani ne na kufa do o betumi ayɛ Ghana fo me kama kyerem sɛ CSHS na o mampani ne na kufa do dia ban ebobo Ghana ni ba bia ti monya madwi sɛ 2020 wo ye Ghana ni no paso oba ana onana ni ati ekoyie dia so ba ma o mampani ne na kufa do na ndi fo ni ntro nam enam esi sikase wakopa bisia odre ye school ni yie na ugire se ne bocho musika no go vanye school ni ya na ndi fo me kama kyerem sɛ da kete se ne proye na nam de mo be wia no MBV de one nti sɛ o ye we nyankopɔn na yi o mampani ne na kufa do amai ma me dasi me kwa mo bia ba bye bye
yes yɛda se suo kwunte so hello eja udini ba bia frefre
ezo gba ye pemti me frefre la tebe ko
yo mini atwa asemayin
ma ntia honorable Ibiza ni na nati abukuma Central MP wa ye tuma pa kwala enko ekocho soche wa mo nyama wo so se nkwala ni nyina edipo o abukuma Central School ni nyina abomodi amama set omo niska wabo o mo ska fem nti ye dana se nyankopon kira ede ye to so mienu eye mi nwanwa se NDC guso e ka kire Ghana for se MPP ba ye da be dibusia no niti na Ghana for pam wo President Kufuor be free so 2008 na ye ka ye di nyina ye 9 billion Ghana cedis atamis ba ye robenya 4 years ansana John Dramani mama eba onu so free so na ye ka almost about 22 million 22 billion and onu so ko ye John Dramani mama ba o ba be sorry 4 years no or the 22 billion equal 120 billion. It is some country Ghana for say na Kufado aji 200 billion. Na what both 200 billion. Also that Ghana for. Again no mudi stand here e Ghana for di mo that here. Na mi can be tell do mama country Ghana for say that be no call election 2000 o country Ghana for say we see school die that be no ya kan Ghana for say ya see school die ya here road ya here hospitals ya di swako villages ya di jetista ko villages nti ntu abama MPP no ntu anyoma pa na wo ye nso Dramani mama kachira Ghana for say wo aben na wo ye road na wo ye hospital na wo di swako rural areas wo di electricity ko rural areas a men fa bon hu sapo yin na wo ye sa wa 20 sa kwada na de no mo kachira say omu ba o ma jiwe ye social intervention sa people for ba ye NDC tunu we bi sikana eba NDC for sem eje no mo tunu ye ma Ghana for any corruption enye o mo eche ombotom na Kufado de o man ya se devi chekwan ofa so obu ni man o de nsise egu a ebu Ghana for NDC be free so na over 4 years nti so me wiejuma ye fo bia na Kufado ba ye wa be fa
4 years, less than 2 years, almost 42,000 nurses are one for one. Ticket any allowance, and this are the chairman, not Kufa to the Abba. Yes, this is school bank. Yes, see one village, one dam.
Yeah, that's Minia. Hello.
Hello.
Minia, Udini baby are free.
About passing
and Council Minia.
Mediane, Africa.
You, what Africa? My
Your call has been put on hold.
Hey.
Please wait.
What Africa, they have to hold you. Hello.
Your call has been put. Your call has been put on hold.
What Africa, on says baby. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, everyone.
Ejami enfan twacho. Udini baby afrefre.
Everyone. Now mo akuna tata me tata fiaso.
Yo, nana twaso man.
Everyone, ana pa me nyoti kesi die. We dey so. Me ntia ko do pon kroma. Na me ntia da me kwa benya MP. Na me ntia Mr. Fred Anson. No ye GRE na ye yin ko finance no. Ntia papa o tene ka me tia na me so man pe papa no nimdie na o no. Ona so mo de ko on pon bi a nim ni de ni de ye abo man no papa no na adwuma bo pe o. Ya me ko ma asem so na everyone. Any sport bar, any work student, once it's a market, once you get a market, and once it's Dubai. Take Dubai and Messi, everywhere. And someone said, engineers pay, and I'm sure we start to go over Dubai, and to Dubai, and then you don't know where you do. Yes, and another name paying for say, and paying for a shame on me, and some do and Blano because one poor man can. Because all you have to get the yard, nothing, the Huida. And that means more new man. So where do I? Can another buy within 2.5 years in Ghana for more and papa, we a good crema, what can I hear for? Way any of my obia on all things to move forward. Because I be a bar or buy a pint or visit school dying or visit hospital. That a buyer or bar or beginning mouth for a common in mouth for a and a papa. I buy or never, I'm out for you 100,000 no money. I buy. Taking allowance of Omukewi, a band by Odia, when you have a papa, a band by or the education, but again, I'm going now go school free. I'm a education on the bay, and then get school or get Magis, and then what could the whole award at the America, the Bagan had the whole your man and him. It's another education number, and the better than that, we have to award in Java. You want another battle, what your man a card and to get to a 1.2 billion. Another buying or take a go to that national we are from Papa de Fia.
Yeah, that's it. Nanamwako. Ebusia ya dia frefo no ebesia se na mpanimfo aye kradu yakọ ho na ye kono. Yemfa ho aseda emma nnwuma abota yachi. Vodafone Ghana eta yachi yenkita wudie mu no. Ebusia se wokwati a me ade no me se me nso obi hwe ya mini ho adanse na wotwi enema no Vodafone network no miwom ena so mfa so no mahu se eba se wu to data se networks no me pese me to data me bundle say wu kwati Vodafone na if say what wanting boom me bi de odi gu so hwim na ni nyina ko Vodafone de wu be hu se wu download ade na ten enti wu bebre so Vodafone Ghana se ye ma utumi amade akasa ma ne ma koye di ama ke ba montment so de ene hunam ne tutuwo wanyini akwa animu ase weda no se ya wono ba no wote wono mu ana hu tutu wedie no wodo nsam a wonhu ba bi kure tutu no enu keba montment e se bebo se poho na kwa wedie no mu eti nnompenu na ewurewure mu na chese how bi ewom na eyi afiri wono mu ba bi a chese ye ton ye duro bia pharmacy shop wo Ghana bia no wobetumi anya keba montment ni bi ato ne duduo mu so de Kofi Krom Pharmacy Limited keba montment duduo bi a wuhia no penifo de be ma na watumi atubi akoton ubetumi so afrebon ebo 0246 762424 and as 020-812-3739 make us say kasama for maso ye hwe mayi adisua mu ensem so Echo Vincent Asefua ewo fie ha sada so na miaminu abema banahini uzu banahini wo fie ha sei enane wo fa emaye nti nne no ye ne wo fa se ebe hyase ye ne wo fa se e sha se owusu banahene e wo fie ase ya che se ye ne no bepem akwa animu na ye kwa animu yi na adwenkyere no ye besan aba so ye beba adwenkyere no so na ne mode aba de ne ehia ne se wo message no wo de bebresem ne akenkan se ya e de amount na we di odi aba so ye bi wan emrahye badwafo person o kire ye se sitting hours on betumi am back on demonstration nanso ye frɛ wo court di a wontumi nko enye bra wo moche parliament ni ehu se omumu bi asori enanti ko police station police headquarters na ebi so ye demonstration se wo my Ghana mu yesre constitution ni de hia amendment pa bi se yesem ne ma hyebadwafo no kaka che no ye toda ye dwene ho ayente ase ene ne mampani dada Rollins so kan ye no se constitution ye nya amendment wo mu ye beye efise se ye hwe kwan a obi te se January FIFA January champion January kufu ne woni aka bo mu nyina di wo gina mra no ye kunkum bi di bi fa mra kwaso no wo se ye amendment na woni wo ye di wo gina mra no Samuel Brian Boaben edi we free awoshi na eba abusia ye company for makwaba
yeah
boko de adene mbobe sana
oh that you mobe say what show enough dynamism so that me ye no wo ye engineer was here Joe yeja ana me nyu phone na
phone na ne wanya yi ana
me fi ha me kwa yi wo akwamfie engineer unse ma betra ha che ma bantempa ma nakra nji we wie after 10 no anje ze me yonko bi ni ma me aka mu nji me koja no
enti na emwanwe fi so den kaleti de kameya mount title
jai
jai sa kwajo dan kwa de ono na je so be de title na enti obede be ma no Vincent mini aba ma pomo e
mini aba ho ye boko de no mpa bo trade ampo to so boy wia o ma de patch ti aseda na de me ba no Ghana so I de ye papa
Ghana yede
papa
de na ma Ghana yede
share ene okwa afifim na okobusa electricity bill aba forma ma chese ene no omutimitua
ebi dru so manya
en ona say so manya asem ye peculiar situation so honey a peculiar situation and you could even see say per the report by PDS even agreed quasi say there was an aspect of overbilling in America nti eno ne the peculiar situation but you can Ghana nyina yes few more munim senka sisi no senya reduction of the 17.5% abandoned by nyuma industry so munim senya be 30% aban so ye the etis one ka sisi no sika nkomutua no ekwa ni mu ye for the first time where you say there was a freeze on public sector employment aban we buy and yetimi atoto no ma ye ma IMF atimi ayi omo say free so ma say yetimi afani pa about 350,000
una wa start ya no na
350,000
enchiano
sector workers
koto enchiano
na ekura nyuma nim ekura memua ana mrantie
ne ba wa Ghana for na aka kire wo so omo ho adwo omo na wo kan
menuaba se wo
hwe no wontua bi
nya bo che se wo hwe
o se ya te so won ka se
wontua bi anko be hu se dia o kan anya no kra
who be in this country and say wontua la
say
make such an argument
oh that be se wontua bi anka be hu be Philippines
no na libe na kosoro
nya bo che
akosoro question to answer
papa say wo to a bosum ne kra so a ye top people
Ghana
bosum ne kra so a wakoto bill no wakoto light no na ya TV bi afim ogoka
katre da be tumu speak to the
da be me say entiso na okase ya teso e artificial
oh how
artificial
it's not reality
and reflecting
on meter no bill no so
meter no so
obia everybody is crying
enti mu ensam amochi ha no mu kan wana aka
me de enyi mi na me to na meka
na on the also want to
every oh my worker if you are not your my bongo
ego ya need to ministry stakeholders meeting binyame ya domo a bekoso no da ben no
stakeholders meeting as far as curriculum near concerned say on the kan the first batch of the stakeholders meeting second batch no yesterday Monday twemu Nim say o ka
me adoma Friday no dey na mo ye.
Say no ye Nakanwa National Council for Curriculum Assessment. As far as part of Jumadi AD to make sure say new curriculum idea bay stakeholders be to share a chair for district directors, regional directors, and directors say national headquarters will be our kind education home for them to be able to understand.
There's a training no
you go so training the kind by say at the regional level no you will do some amount of training also that there will be trainers of trainers and so I'm going to back down to the district levels. I could training over 100,000 teachers then what it means is that they will have to be trained first before I'll bet chair for no so so we are hoping say in no time the training will be much of a successful one. We hope the curriculum na chair for no mobile bet no the various classroom no and one good thing is going forward we are even looking for how our curriculum best synchronize it even with the sitting arrangements in the class. Because if the EPC say if you want to make classroom at the channel engaging and you say teacher na as on the nimbi teacher knowledge and as a repository of all knowledge no be jina how the teacher never can find out there be yes you who say it should be engaging. I say brand here no anasa baba or the classroom or no so train adrin. So if it's going to be engaging the sitting arrangement akwa said the studio high akwa in the form of a round session be to me a can adrin said there engagement would be very useful. Going forward share how the sitting arrangements even in our classroom will have to be changed to suit the curriculum na we are hoping say in the next 4 or 5 years we should see some benefits from the new curriculum now as someone I make man can you
no the beba ho ye besi mu ankasa ye beba ho no na baby a efo wo bia no efo me we show speedy recovery pa efo sia kola wanya accident efo kafra nyankopon be hwew kafra na mpanimfo yen hyase yen hyase na yen koyenim yasem ade hyase ye mama yagade parliament any judiciary no this week wo hwe ne yesi ye wo mu a mrahye bedwafo te honum say ye ruli ye ba court no sese by 1 o'clock no ha ye be hu ne oye pani emra no ebom mrahye bedwafo ho ban ne sen nneka ye chia mra ne sen ne ye de ekono ma mensha se mfiri so bana hin
mini aba ndase ebe chia atiefo chia president Mahama babi o wa no pa bia nchia kase nkoma no na Ghana for arehemu se 2021 obesan ba beji abanwa no na watoto ne amaye ini akoide unless you show much activism ansana ebetimi abuma no ede asem ne kan special prosecutor mewa Matia Medu ose odi asem akodan court say ohia Mahama Ayariga MP for Boko Central ene Mahama Ayariga so chroye command say enye se court na our friend no oma na mrehye bedwam ye transit on Tuesdays entinka oma ne da yenye den yen transit for parliament nanka wonfa nhia na court esan say da e be transit for parliament say wankwa according to ono no we deny the people of Boko Central their right of representation in parliament asema no kan ni so that's it and never interview lawyers for me no look at Atemdi Morris Ampa edidi Mahama Ayariga wabon onim hwe Mahama Ayariga bon onim hwe
de na ya Atemdi no
ebi why so obi ka kira say wabon adwuma a wo yi no obi ka kira say wabon wa wadidi watamana wa praise you Debi law no asemba ko ubenya lawyers too obi abe interpreting differently enu ti na omko court ko argue na final authority e wo judge ni nsem no ma judgment emra ni nyina na ye call Supreme Court e na oma interpretation it is Mahama Ayariga akire na dwen si say na memeti asefa na won so si say na woti asefa e Supreme Court no be decide ana meboa Yemra ni bebre enuti na woko UK on written constitution. Judge made laws. So there's a case laws near the ababe ye ifapemo ye di bu man e bia sipen. Ni ahwe so ni abu man. In this what children asem na won ne nya adwuya we so yatem didie. Speaker so am ruling on e call me boy. Speaker so what letter say dear Mahama Yarega kan almost side with him. So just say a special prosecutor say 9 MPs ena odo mo akodan court obehiom. Na Zuni say one day na we independent 9 ni nyina afi parliament dey akokotwa. E ma se bedwam se the quorum na ye adwuma. Ana me boy. So ya inform quorum.
Omo de no mo assisting investigation ti ye to nsa frɛ obeboa ye bi se wasemba akomienu. Wuji di se be frɛ mu nyina adako.
Oh, possible. Mati Amidu, you can do anything. I won't him Sava. You can do anything. Possible so with my from in Adakro. So Monko. So it has na case in the merit of the case, a dear some near kind. Why? Mati Amidu accuse Mahama Yariga say Wakoje or my bossing alone as parliamentarian. Noji ye no the Akakoto cast wamanone. Na cast no duty was Wotiana. Went to ya into Wachiti or Mano. Monene Kaye. Wakwakutua difference na wom no se wo ABY okay ya wo krafi America yi anya wo na wo agent ya wo yi ana meboa
nkra ka bia
sa ene obekra
nkra ka
sa wo kra
bomba na nkra na sa fe na ade mpa ye na eba
se wa show enough dynamism there kwasi tun beto akatio enti wo ye de obekra ka na ba so just say enti wa kra ka na ba no agent na ekoyi ka na ma na se agent say mama sikase ko yika na agent ko tua na o chena de ka na abrama me ko hwehwe de ya ka ne ba me se wana me ko hwehwe de minima na se minua wo ayi me ma me awo na minua no
won asem bi a waka se omo se wantua duty no difference bi ba mu na wakwa akotua enti no sese no wakwa akotua wie enti mra nya adwuma bi
enke no kra no GRA fo adwuma so just say GRA fo na awosen ko mo fa asem we say wakotua go tax ene wa wie hwe mmiri bi
enti no sese ne wo kan se memeti ha ina ye be chime se akua se we wantua ho tax na me kokotua wie apese o chese bibia tuntwa
why emri bi na opanyi bi ne friend Joseph Hustayok Jr. I na your friend Pakwasindum na ye man ministerial appointment your president Kufu Abreso minister of is it economy
public sector reform
that be no your economic answer no about public sector no self man for share that finance position no you see emri bi diversity implementation committee auto eniema bi diversity auto eniema bi a one to aso tax njansa na be approve no then time on PNDC ta onkonko to aso tax na nsa na approve na na be minister he went and paid oba betua ya mfa na nyina mra no ya nchi na ntum ya nya
no example we ya one man kire se me wo se metua to ma ntua mra ne kan se me kotua wi ahuso wo fo bia de o de kwa
mra ne kan se bi kura ye kotua ye timi san ma o penalty so jaze na watua oh dabi ukotua yetimi ma penalty na watua
GRA for advert omo ye so wa metua na biri ni twam aye be chew no wo do so
crofo shops omo call lock ukotua wi a then ya ba be open shop na mo continue ye mfa ho ne ma ne mfa in close shop no forever yes koko tueska utua wi pe then they come and open the shop for you to continue
nti mama ya gana chese on that yina wo kan no omo han keke because
personal vendetta na Martin Amidu ye Martin Amidu ye
mansun bi do mo ntem mama ya gana
Martin Amidu no betimi a kire hwe Martin Amidu
na wo kan say ye personal yina wo
Martin Amidu kro nkrofo ho nsem okromo including President Mahama who had a vetting of parliament
Asempa FM.
Bibia be bisa na also me dem tie na me kiro me tie I can't substantiate to the extent say minority leader can be say we will settle it in sa ayine ye
busawe
hwe ne bufufu ye agro keke Martin Amidu eti Martin Amidu ade a oye no hwe mi eniema ekoso okroma sika kese anipe di okroma Martin Amidu se ohun ye sika kese pa corruption akese a odi na sika we yesi 30,000 ya Toyota Corolla cross sika we ntimi nto kroma eno na Martin mi do e fight wo
esha ntinki yenya manenka
o da bi enye se mi nka si yenya manenka onipa na wa ye den wakotua difference no otua enti ne biem na aka no waste on money resources in court
na chesen ya ka mo se umeba bana hene yanko katashe ne pro ye nyina mo kana yentu ase no obi e be chi no obi yankonko tua ne ka otua ne ka wi a yenya ne manenko se ne mpese ye de ye dwuma o
ye sika de ebu o man no and you see revenue shortfall senior minister can see here sika anything I shall want prosecute no because you here sika e sika ne here. At the end of the day now you dey kotum ni enya sika amfa so be ni enya okoda prison ya san feeding abokakwa
I see
hwenno ye asefu anom party chairman Freddie Blay court odni shraj ya man ayi se onyi na no besi enne onkoye court eno de ye friend so omra court ye see ye den shraj fo nko fa ne mra court enye the same court na ehwe sansem we nyina the same court there. You see, Mahama Yariga High Court or you rules a 1 mark before 12 o'clock. Manimua contempt. Freddie Blade, your friend the court to Nankasakura was one corner. You move to Uncle or your party chairman. Now by also. Meanwhile, also your public officer. You see, Brabe, you are nowhere or Kwanya Ofa Sunyasika, a class 75 buses, Emma party. Say a be show your papers, your chest, what you are so tax a habo. But see, and don't me you are no onamo. Look at the magnitude of the two cases. The way now will be one can was here flow in Pano court. Maybe so. Mahama Yariga 30,000. And you will be our crap buses $11.4 million.
Na ye from me no nyina moye.
Na odi pa ba ko ye friend no zonko. Ono ye party chairman. Na ban na woso. Enti ye friend no nko court ntimi en friend no. What say?
Are you aware of charge 7 as a TV?
Oh, charge 7. According to charge report, ya 7 da. Say
7 him.
Oh.
Yo,
Nancy, I mean, call Jimmy. So, court to a 7 for the blade, charge a 7 say, Ombra me in Sembiano Fiti last year. On coy, now Mr. Shah Yuzukita powers of High Court. In Tenuzu Yebetima are charging a contempt for the bless you. Obian can say, na uye on my ubu on my senior, uka nifa, no kabenkum, and no nankaye. Now utibinum good, no utibinum bad. She was saying, and my sebe need to parliament, you find him na yangun and nimase. And the man say, I mean, do as I'm no court, yanka, court to be decided. So just say, it's your train, the court no, at the beba.
Yo, yada say, obviously, yada say. Adma Kupita say, ABY. Wa education ne se wo wukura no asika no ne woso otua asamando obefiri won mo abetua Derrick Jan so ede ya wode ebaye wo say eboachewa ede enti na newscasters ten very important subjects to comedy edru won mo anu abebisa na ha ya metinye news na America me yem adwuma me adwuma foforo na me yem politics e wo ha say me nua bema enti edru news num na hwe na ne koso no na ode afa honomo ebre yesim na ebre we de adwuma foforo na ye na yenkoye nim na ofoforo so de osofo kwabenapu ni frempon memo akwaba mechia so papa osofo nyame enka wo ho se prince de we free ayensua no na eba o se bi wai kacha ban yi ma ye se emfa ho ne matena midu intimidations biara o mbema ni tumi se onfa intimidate NDC fo NDC amanyoko ni gina ne naso won be yadwuma e de ama oman Ghana enti won de wonyere ne ho na yebechi we NDC nsuro yebechi ma mema battles abusua nyina yakọ ma wonum nyina yakọ mame se prince said we free ayensua no na eba Lovely akosua so de we free kasoa na eba osie bi wai eba emma se yema wotumi a yema wotumi a ehu hia papa nti yebesre se yema emma positions yema madi animu ewodibira hodo bim no yesre yempanimfo wonum empower emma ye wo Ghana na yenyai ensensem bi ekeka edefa emma ho chia honorable Mevisa wakumse mame Lovely akosua ediwe efri kasoa na onso ede aba abetum Bobby big boss so ede ye ode aba eni na chese teacher mante enwode efri ose bi wan NDC amanyoko kwotena opposition na anu adai no wonum refi eniema bi ya che say ne bo bi fi say mesa na sa niema basa yi obeye ye no na aban yi gusu a che say wo twetwe aka eka bebrebe obeboto wo no mo se aban ya bobosi mo hu ni ode aye borrowi no mo borrow ye no aban twetwe bi ene enhyehye ya wodo a aka aban no eye hu adwuma nti omunya propaganda no mo ye no na chi a NSC akumi akwatia incoming MP COP Nathan Kofi Boache so chi anoma me papa yenko yenim eko somna yenko
miniaba mamen sanchia obi ona men share ye Ghana for nyina there have been an attempt by Yambana Hine so betum futuro de go Ghana for any issues of law factual issues irrespective of how you want to circumvent it for political advantage, you know. Ghana for can find or see through those propaganda. Minyaba Ghana I'm say yape empty entitlement. Entitlement.
You know what you're saying?
Now you can say will be a Harvard trained lawyer nesano. Enya no kre.
Nanti wo
onye Harvard trained lawyer bia.
Wo mo ekọ prempe, wo mo ekọ se twina mo, wo mo de eyi senior no.
You can say will be a Harvard trained lawyer. Tio, you can say will be a Harvard trained lawyer. No, I was say what call Harvard. He are train you as a lawyer. At the time Mahama Yariga call Harvard. No a lawyer dada. He just went there for masters.
It is true. Na no kura call Harvard na.
19 is a work Harvard na so a Harvard trained lawyer.
Was Harvard.
Harvard trained lawyer. Harvard trained lawyer. Harvard trained lawyer.
Mr. Mo bana hinene
na ede na wuye na de Taliban for revia na wo mega
our sitting president one call law school we law certificate
that's on record Harvard trained lawyer and I want to stress it again onye Harvard trained lawyer. He is not a Harvard trained lawyer. He is a lawyer before he went to Harvard school for his masters. It doesn't mean say we a Harvard trained lawyer.
Just me bow. Anope wo hawan say. Yaka say mama yarga ye lawyer onye Harvard trained lawyer.
Because Harvard trained lawyer. It's a statement you got throw you. Because I said you have what training now on tiase.
What do you try?
Share
Oba e only be akomono ko.
Ekrom ha. Emra ne boy ho ban. Emra bie ni ho e kire se wo ye a member of parliament. Na se bio ukobokro no. Ukoya ade bia eye against the Criminal Offences Act. You cannot be summoned to court. Emra bie ni ho e kire. In fact, it should not also be at your own instance. Say time wa ope and our person court Debbie. That cannot be the case. Yeni Kromuhana honorable Ayariga ye onwa ni nipa na said nipa na kwada o mentono ejina mu amia prosecute Adamu Dramani Okromwa
ifama no
ye prosecute Adamu Dramani Okromwa. What were Adamu Dramani's offenses in this country? Ono di wanko wiesika wo. Wan bo man no krono.
Asempa
Adamu Dramani wanko kum nipa wo. Wanko rape obi o. The offenses of Adamu Dramani and one say wakwa kwaje passport of another country. Do you know say Adamu Dramani he even renounced that citizenship no before even the trial ended. If say person tie nyabotre oh mami nie what ha ka say because say ayarega akotie sika ninti no ka yentwa so ne ndi sika kase achi emra ne so mu no de o tre hawa o person ke ye no enya Mahama ayarega na at the time in 2012 when President Mahama even made up his mind to release Adamu Dramani. Me was a statement you know Mahama I say President Mahama in his attempt, and I say with this intent, so ye Adamu Dramani, it is injustice to this nation. Okay, Asempa Mahama Yariga try Kromwa in 2012 kind no. No ania Yachina tum when he was jailed 6 years.
Into no any new and was a Marani Yajuma.
Said America Cho say, Mrano ne say the president is also having that authority. Say, so person organti obi pardoner, he can do that. And no Ayamra Ghana ha, and until Muntie 3 4 say ko yomi muka say president let me the you know. Mahama Yariga am peneso am yenyi Adamu Dramani e wo kromo ha. Ene o diaba you have stolen 30,000 from the state. Wakwa kotieska no ya fraud se bra court afi na abem yehu so ya Harvard trained lawyer. Wo church normal if you can't be a witness in court. No, you see, hey, Ghana ohu. Sa empty entitlement no. We have to be very careful of it. Me, I detest it to hear anybody say Mahama Yariga a Harvard trained lawyer. He is not a Harvard trained lawyer. If you have been trained in Ghana here, nasa wako Ghana, I wako Harvard, I call your masters. You can't be a Harvard trained lawyer. Into all just what the born home
I know there's all the need in
Oh, there have been said, but we see issues of fact. We should let the Ghanaian people know. Oh, now but China. Oh,
I see. I see. Banahine. Oh, here more. Why? Me ma paper ne pen na sha se tro asoma.
Nti me nuaba. Asemo a me pese me can say issues of prosecution that cannot be termed as persecution, you know. Abanwe, we are so much determined to fight corruption. Obi biara o wi aban sika at the time one no wa ban mu enunti and the special prosecutor buy no.
And at time I'm also motiswe
and also special prosecutor no. Yeah, the buy for the purposes of making sure say we kept corruption in this country.
Not in the previous government alone.
Na say we are buy why you be a becho ana. Why you be a becho? If say Martin Amidu ehun ni say aban we atisui obi a oni aban we ya adwuma wa fa kwati kwan bi so abo oban no kro no. Wa fa oman ni sika. Wa ye bibia it goes against the Criminal Offences Act. Special prosecutor under the laws is having every right say go after that person. The argument say sika we nye sika bia, and for that matter we should follow the big argument the big money, you know. Undemocratic. In fact, it is unpatriotic for anybody to make that statement. You know, then those people are jailed at the expense of William Misika and all that. Are you saying, say, Sani Panwa, Okovia Ponche, you jailing for 5 years, you jailing for 10 years? Say, the Momo Ghana for the blood that runs through them. Is it on Ghanaian? Say, member of parliament, ya Mausika, per the laws of this country. Say, so opesa will talk hard, yeah, Disikano Koto, don't take the loan at all. You bring in somebody who are a crime so enye ako topicals be 3 asa twa fam report asa tosikano asa tokas no
court no improve say nti no say you can say wa fa kwan bi so kwan boni bi
sika no sa kotia no so fanya dey
say enu na Banahine kan say
case be no dey buy to kotia
ye so
aha ya twe na dey ba so no so going to pay keke no cry admittance of guilt. Admittance of guilt because you have already paid. You have already paid. Utia na chese wa bokron one point to kotua mobile.
Yo.
Enti asema make na say the special prosecutor our mampani na nado danko akufado set it up to be able to make sure say it deals with corruption issues in this country. say ye 10,000 Ghana, say one cedi mpa obi ofa bansi kabiano, we will go after that person and make sure say we safeguard the taxpayers' money in this country.
Yo, yeah, that's it. Abusia echo me kan burofu mu sem kan twimu echo Vincent Asefuana yaten nkano kasama foma asoye ye hwe wo mayi yadesua mu ensem so na adwencha we edeba ye Kofi Abochi di we fi achim twapiasi mejidi se makani ye ene wode aba no se bi why politicians no dwene say Ghana eye wode wo bromra so wahu obi ko wia ponche akoko obi tumi wia akoko ne de na kotum emfie bebre banahene si ka kire ye ne se mama yarga dupu nation ne say 30,000 Ghana cedis esikesha enti yenya no wakotua ne enko wia jokers Kofi Abochi ne de ye ode eba ye eno no ofoforo so de ye ode aba se bi wan se ye wonipa wonnima mamuo wonchia mamu ase ne ye to abama wo se wo medi o man yanimu a ne ye hu ne ye hu no man Ghana mu no MPP amanyoko ne ye ka mamu a wonte ase hwe Bank of Ghana penny for say what they saying 18 billion Ghana cedis so no mo de collapse banks ahoro na what they saying 9 billion boa maybe more survival sa calculations ni niema we ya mpanimfo ye mibisa me ho say etina kwanfoforo bia ni ho no mo mpanimfo betumi afa so say ye gu banks ye collapse banks hwe we na chese MPP for ntia mamu ase na nyankopon ensevu Ghana wanfa din so anka ho Musa Batu aso de yode abanie wose ebi wa mamisa o demonstrations no a MPs no wonenam street so ye no ebrebe na no ye no me kai pa sa na anu mi hu obi te se okugyato ne woni aka nyina na wonam monte so sa abre na parliament no wapon o me anwene ye ho na constitution ni so de mampani dada se nya amendment anokore amendment ne wo se eba mame enkom anim na minimia Northern Region Deputy
Savannah Regional Committee
say Savannah and say wa ba femwa Savannah Region na no elections no ugina bi wa hu and how do position no an call
no na me Deputy Northern Regional Communication officer and CC make contest
was Savannah
region substantive and I'm doing kunim
it is say we are communications officer was Savannah region
me jumpuntu juma me bonti
mpuntu juma basintele
communication director mpuntu juma
Asempa 94.7 FM so eni abushan formate mate asema basintele kan wo se adwuma pa embuntu juma wa ye ntie se we communications officer was Savannah region na mami Mr. Basintele embuntu juma ben wa ye ni region ho
everywhere ejuma ne de bibi obefa free biandra na mene MPP communicators ibako UTV and then kasemo me bisa and sent busu be amakobo no ebia na sa communicate and create studio ha menim I say bisa say busu be amakobo no mo de here and the answer the me ba mesra me nua mesra no bisa me asem this is not part of the topic me boa and this is not part of the topic ebi ne bisa me yes nti me bisa ne say o say sika na amakobo no o say ni awo ye bia ebi e tangible ebi e intangible
into development and intangible
ebia nipa no kire me say bosia close to 80 billion o makobo no mo de anyema ye hu so mo ya konfo so mo ye den o nti o mo de anyema mo ye no ghost ye hu minti mi kire but ni amepa kire say in same conclusion Mr. Nti ono gabe Mr. Nti ono kasa and there our moral right to be bisa me say mpuntu juma be na poti be na mai na kom juma ebi ade mpuntu juma se chene den
o ti asese
se chene say bia omo no mo te wanka omo mpo na wo se metumi so
bi hu na wo se wa ye juma enti mpuntu juma wa ye no
enti juma no den wa ye ebi na say na me kire say
wesi dan
as a communication officer there say nya dynamic ama mukofo abeda ma say lokwa boy juma na say at least wo nam kra na say wutimi ko kan di no kre e kire nkofo say ni say na aban ne nye yie say no mo de yesika sika ye say no de sika fafa eno nyina no omutimi awode was mpuntojuma anyway me da say no pay na me chia obibiara wanye kwenya etie ye me chia mokri so jumadi amobo say and anope me ra ho kakra enam say menua ba kono kasa no or den sem no eko won ye and for far baby na to me no na ehu here because I think that about corruption and sema maybe I think that when him stands on matters like this and when him as a young guy no my that journey can see and say yes you be nyina dru baby no na it me reduce corruption in this country kita se she kan kind pro to the barest minimum and ebia Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia there was fighting corruption say no it's like fighting demons into one the AI the amano because we show no na by mu kita se she koso no enya sem ketwa but I'm hoping say in the near future no let's reduce it to the barest minimum nti say enya sa topic in be discuss here yenko the nitty-gritties of it. Other than that, say yet na lawyer crowd ko ye no Harvard and one ko I mean I think that we are look we are one man ha empenyin for kukuda no kito man sisi no law certificate crowd was contested. Ebe mo say law school no crowd one ko but in a topic like this me better na me so man penyin law certificate no enye papa we are talking about corruption. Nti say be this ankomo ya me sre wada albarka yembo modia na yenka kan sem no sene etie ebi ohwe Martin Amidu ne ayargan semia I think that many abana hene did a fantastic work on it obiebie nsem no mu obi anyanti ase and I had the concluding aspects of minia echo point no say nipa no akoye bibi na so sakotua ya it's an admission of guilt and all that. Is that what the law says? Is that what the law says? And the law says that who could DBB now say yes be tuya now say who could tuya. It means that you are guilty. Metia na ECG for the bail abreme. Say what the cat 10 CD. Ebi. Na 10 CD bail mako ECG office na mako tuya 10 CD. Na ma bet na say e china ECG for say hey masa sikana otua na wo de kabro santie de wo kokot me say oh kabe metia na mo amode receipt by me nye electrician am reading meter me nye wire cable then me ye wire work it is some of the bill abremia and na me kwa kotua na say china mo say da bi bill na broso na say me kotua is that an admission of guilt
entino say wo no
is that an admission of guilt
unyi ntumu say wo de ka nanso no wakwa akotua onyi ntum so de kaba
you be like ECG for every day look look be a phone lines they be a water company omutumi the wrong bill bro na wo tua later mo say bill na otua no your machine no fall be bounce nti afi na ready detect esi da in our houses every day you see this am go to as an admission of guilt Mrano Mr. Wada Mrano that is what we are talking of Martin Amidu ankasa act no do ye adwuma no under the attorney general meboa under the authorization because act ni chere say before betima prosecute obi no this could be some na do offer say asemansa ono attorney general na do offer say ebe mu no me person me chere me refi ni na
attorney general no
me refi ni no be dem born di nti e was so to me ko bisa ono say oh case na me be prosecute no ma me kwan authorize ona boni fe authorization answer no wotimi a prosecuting ni pano in this answer me say ono na man authorization say Charles BC will sema ye chain a live camera say sika bundle ya tam dia mano nyantechi okobobo man penyi say o man penyi de o man 5 million na wokuno o ma ba o me 3 million na die o ma road minister 1 million dia masa and the road ministry no obeba be see temporary one e wo fie nyina and wo asem matrami du person che say authorizations no ye nya man so prosecutor na Ebi, I think that look, and let me just me person me a few rebuttals. Me ni asa ka say na parliament no or no or so a lawyer no or stress ma no as a ora case no stress time am ka some back court no em she be doing on team by and all that. I think the speaker even proved it to us. Speaker Ankasa in the reply in the speaker's letter. Speaker my quay and another down for do ne no or chere say look, the court should adjust on other parliamentary settings in such a way that it will not interfere. It will not interfere. Every one himself, or sorry, on past 7, so-called parliament. That's a woman now, Janano, and I now say, we be interfere in the parliamentary activities in a crime. because you mustn't interfere.
Sir.
Yes, crime. Okay, now will be mukofwe tam to akese call John Jenapofi on a marriage issue. Okay, and I'm going to two no drawers. We so much share documents. Attorney General Bekachile said deal class. Na Keta Shebiani muno. So okay, Samrena. Speaker Tron Krata actually said they shouldn't interfere in parliamentary activities like that again. They wrote to the Ghana Police Service. From Tuesdays onwards, the speaker Ankasa in reply and say, Niana Martin, Mama Yerga Kano. No cray. Mo so dim raso. Afro dim raso so mo say osuro court. Court when they osuro. Ade wo court e chese wo ko wiade. Ana wo court wo kokunwe. Meti akra e bi say na wo betima ka chem say medi watem na de makokot. Asempa. It is the courthouse is not a criminal cells. And you say they now to counter back. And Ebi, look, let's be fair in this country. And me they be I hold the opinion say obi deka obi ekobia one city cry na prosecute na yen prosecute no because how one city no could have bought water to save the life of a child on the street. Okay, obi Mr. Albarka. Oh, Mr. Obi, yes. Me, I am of that view. So obi deka one person. Ministry of Education my some boy studio had here. I am of the view. Say what the two special some onto ya and can it me the tonsio eboa obi save obi life on the street meboa ebi inti if no matter the quantum of money involved no more MPP for more my say senior minister ankasa ministers nyina penyini wo boss ono so no boss e ma nyanti ase say Aisha one China near obese yasase kotasihye no tuatua bribes no tua police no jeje no yese no omo de Aisha one no esa akọ ne mamu enam se no mo pe bosia abo nti na bosia no hu pia say ye be prosecute Aisha one che say ye bibi mind there ye na so ni faso sebi ye na etu ni patuntum for ye chiwa yo say timi hwere wasum e say timi bo wasum e hwere e de ko to counter back ni na se for broni de ona no so one faso China ni ye de be kwa jiska nti if you are going in that tangent then you are also going against our senior minister statement. You are going against it. Obia look no there was a survey omoka say chi nipa wo wia omansika ye manu tua back ana ye nchi nkotum and more than 80% of people even suggested say sikana wo bo man ho ka no ye manu tua back and look Martinamidu should enter Martinamidu onko hwehwe sansem na A+ nsem o ka da say ebi mu wo omanpenyan kasa so em ebi mu omanpenyan kasa fie omonam ketasehye la sulala edi sikano Martinamidu nko hwehwe sansem no Canada Japan no nya mama ya gade no medika chirechire mu achire onya ya na won hwehwe ni nyina mu ye pese nukure dedi nti won hwehwe na nukure dedi ye da se abusia Malik Basintele communications officer ma NDC amanyoko no ebo Savannah region ene no atwetwe enkomo eno odo ichema adwenche ya abode abani mesra munye din mame Malik odo ichema si ebiwan emra ye bo my Ghana mu na ni obi ani ordinary Ghanaian on na street so ena mahye badwani ohwan owo bia chia nanabi MPP youth organizer mamie Farouk Chamaso edieni ose bi wai yeden ena country ketwa etese Ghana ye betumi anya microfinance companies bese 520 aba China manum kura nipa 2 billion no wo mododo sen wo yes empanimfo se wo yibie frim no sanitize financial sector no a wonye na emwa na mama yarga so de no wo yobe ye ka yobensi na no wo yobe menko hwe ontena ho no mu emra wo mayimu amisco spelele edwe fika soa na eba say NDC former ye break and wo bogus press conferences aboye wo mayimu wo mo se de ni ewomu anisa Ghana for reject yomo into opposition wo te won mo wonye responsible in opposition no munya ni omo ye no Mavis Hawa Kumsen ene NSC akumye bi wa chia wo mame success case senya edieni wo se PK kasoa na medi efre na wohu na nado nkakra wa ma NDC amanyoko da ye so no dane wo nightmare chese anwe ye mem esa adwuma pa wo ye nti na MC Michael Mensa wo kaso ebi wa chia na mame Charles Nyamidi we fi asaman kase na eba o se ebi wa wate asemu aba
and they kwadwo pon kroma say ye ka se ka ya boato wo ye ka ka ya da ho no mu a enkyere se ya bobosia me pese me bi se o say MPP for ti opposition no omo de na NDC for no wa bobosia no bosia no wabo na nka ka ya da ho no mo ho wo ma betena pa wanti say explanation different no omo de ma Ghana for na media ne ekoso wo Ghana nyina no ebi why me blemu MPP for enema enkoye ene niema chese basa nyina no eno ene ade a ekoso wo omayim sese opoku bu ache so de ayi ode abos e bi waye mejidi se wo kai si akola bia ne efre na Santoa no krasa enema kai ne papa baby Santoa no krasa bo bia no Nyankopon emfa ne kra ensie yie ifse no kra de asa ewo man Ghana mu poku bu ache de we fi Connecticut ena eba abusuan yenkoye nim na NS yakumi entoaso NS
ebi
boko de
adom kwa
ne de ye no doso
enye izo asa onso jimi sume phone na ni bi se
phone na
so ja asuna de share papa
entoaso maye
ye be che tie for ne ahwefo o majebre ehwe na ebi anope mevem kodan kakra
Adem
kodan
ye ninti ana
enye ye no oni minim butaya sometimes enuanom bi e de betena ha no oh
adem
malik yantu wase me start kwa na o heke o say yantu wase mevem kodan kakra oni na evident am mevem kodan say sebi enyes mimi modie enyes ne fe anase ni bibi nti ase me sori anopa bi kwa chale ma brewo se me da kaka na ma betina na me kasa enyes ne fe anase kasa hunu a me pese me kasa ntina ya betina studio a nemu se ne be ya obi nso betimi etie bi die tu ne bafo se ne be ya obi ote public office bi betimi etie bi no di bi ato ne koto dream na otu anamon bi a wahwe se ne 9 cc yi a enu na hye mi nkwan ma me de betina editem bi a me kasa me we se de me kano how does it aid development eye den e boa to the contribution of the development of the nation and no na ye hwe na ye ka na say obi ba be start argument bibia the entire me say me vim kofon say I can say sometimes you be o ka say last be share wa na ye ka say mi sa ye party peni ba ko ni bufu ka ma kwotena abonti because na insem bibia dey insem na sometimes some ebu abem won say be the topic at one na wo say na amafo atia si atia tese na the omo kind say fa na obi wo fa no be ma approve. That is so necessary. You wonder if Asemnanka ni ati akofa Aisha one near the galamsi ababe pie.
So NS, what is necessary to you? Kosona yanko.
Me ye be kaba ebi so say nya me nko na mabetena say me nko mi pem sebi e nko twetwe ne ye twetwe. Eti de ka ne nya wo say si na wie peye e wo topic na ye ka ne. Oh di sometimes I kosisa o studio ana amana maester but so there. Oh me mom di na that say me. Matebi serious no kwe umuni say mama ya ga say ma ye ken it's just simple and straightforward utie nkomo twetwe ayenya no mo ka yenya aba na hin sha say o say okra mehu manka o se wakotie sika no enti yenja no nonko se sa na ye ka no okromu anoma ene nka wonam we na ebi obi di ni sa to butu
ni we de be na na afeso bui
so
osema de be na na afeso malik ne ye we yan kamin kasa de no akeka no ho watwa
obi de enko chini de be ye
jabotre na chini nyo obi na wo so kire wutwi akurase maka na nso menwe
okay akurase maka
tu be no obu ni yenko
evi she no kwe wo mu ni se mini ni opeso che ni se nka onam ya otiwe na nka Jackson de nsa to botom no we use ka wo chi na ape osio me ye sorry je osio enti ene omokro no nti nja ma nka makase asemwe without going into the substance of the issue no enunti na ye mrapon ewo ho no enunti na ye court nso wo no ombedi asem no ama ye nyina ye den ye hu asem ne pomasi bre na se wo fi se ebia wo ye parliamentarian ti wo immunity binti wo betimi decide se onko court ana se onko court no it is so wrong mami bisa wo ordinary person eyetimemuni bi a onye parliamentarian se okokot na bia dia de court na hye ne krampo no in favor na adwuma na say in favor na health condition na say in favor so timi plead ma court no den agene asem de hye da be favor no edimu ana say ndimu etimi dimu etiyera Mahama Yariga couldn't he have exercised that as a lawyer? Send on man can say Harvard trained lawyer and continue in court. No one can say on Jisa a shena court in edition in Tumuti or co Supreme Court. Says or co Supreme Court akosiki for interpretation into or Supreme Court for Nchechemuna. Court in the best day execution. Or best day no more amako shesa and Chechemuno. Say Supreme Court Chechemu then the court will continue with the matter. What happened to that? Na so no te parliament no di to me no kasa si ne boso me nko me nye sei sa fe de friend no ko won say emra o na lawyer ni a won pese obedi mra so wonti wan kasa we si ebu wo man we mu ana na ebi asem we ankasa ye kana ye nuanom edidi agro na say omo fa ne tra omo kan te say ase ye ru ama ye ga ase obi tata na so omo it's so funny obi a woni mra yes, our born someone in say Harvard trained lawyer. You are telling us, say, who means say the responsibilities of your agent comes back to you as a principal. Hey, na sembe pani. Sometimes ya no msheda no mpeso mutu mfutu egu o manfu eni ana say sebi no o mfi say ye nyina ye da o try che say ye ntehwe ase. Oh, please. Okasa me di miti o. Okasa. What I say, it won't even the principal agency relationship no asia na said but no jidie pa say baby a wo hia mra kodu no otiase na say na ordinary obi kwa how do onko onimra ana bia wasoma obi say onko ye adwuma bi ma na nipa ne ko ye adwuma na enwie peye ana nipa na ye kasa ase ne kwa anke ebe kasa obi a onimra na fesuo enti na wo kasa ansensem no bi a onimra etimra ase na wo kasa na ansensem chain say yanyende na onu bibi omo ka immunity asem nyina sometimes eto asumo enyeye court no we dey before me ba court na asem ne kwapo metie lawyer mpanifo okroma bebre na wotwi munyi omo adi nkomo ubi se omo a na omo kire bebi a emra ne eden e sha ase efiye nienti a emra ne eba tenase omo kire se in England and also where the law developed from those days no say any person frustrated politician bia at the time I was say we parliament no that is the time omo dey dem na better until you granted sa immunity no enti I say what at the time botaya na omo dey nkofo court no na yeden enye botaya papa anyem bi obi betinya aka che say botaya ye di yenua mama yare gwa court botaya boni. So do it is in his own interest. Only also have a trailer to protect his integrity. Nanke bae odi enka odi support due to parliamentary work anu untimi nkokota nka se o mi ana me dem o resign me kwa ko claim di me de bia me bae bi me tunu me se me di mpa nenam say me if I sit in this position that will be the best decision I will take to protect my interest. Odi e no to one ma lawyer wako jina court ye bisa wo say article na wako 118 na wako no e kire say parliamentarian no o kwa standing as a witness ahana waba no ubegina ha be dia dance ya mobi ana o say there be so and mo na mati atese na mo kasa radio station so as a radio station air court or no an kasa o share provision e no na does it say provision na speaker court man no does it say o kwa ko gina as a witness for anybody? You are a party to the case. It means an American who they all they'll say and no shadow enfano. Go and plead with the court and propose new dates. So person will born with you buyer. Propose a new date. Now some and travel the full haul. No born with you by net two DC sa chrononicata seshena ye can one sem. Mini Asia so shall see if you get as share any chrono in some worker or see or no on support ticket as share and so you be the argument in equal pay. What you say boy yen we no yendi ni yemu ade o se debe
se we nyani o ana se we nyani o mesu bebu benu a
ebi ma trauma na wa che asa jawo se what you say now we so okay ni fine by ni say who support corruption now so obi a ono we your mind sika na so de ni saka ban sika na we say we ti anti yenja no nko Sometimes you won't understand the whole principle. Until I make sure instead be out to and sometimes a damping will spray because you don't know I don't know whether it fast will be bad. Say can say oh because me near and this in it on your kind was some a year when you were any day or no so tia say wafa. So what I say, but senior as young men, let me then say here for Asia, we are very young. We fall within certain age brackets. But unless you such a mind retarding politics, now you can't someone just say, and fuck when someone a means to so my input to one. Isn't that you really ask yourself, say, what is it worth doing it? Because you know, Mama, you got to be a man. It is also a bema, not Jim who dis on the bonia.
Sababy, I will name some randa no can naturally message by say a bunch of reputations no lawyer no better now waiting diaba, now waiting diaba, Nina Mraba Kono. Sir. Entino, one no send you city as a yan no can we. And then I make say, court a fell. Unimra ana say court for so happy ono ada no munya asem parliament I say yam friend no enti na no but talk say what happened to the Nemo Judas cause principle no kikem no kikem no dede ono onto onim say court for in the first instance obekọ no akobo nkru. So quite no kobo include and okay say look due to this immunity granted me by the constitution me ko Supreme Court na ko seeking for interpretation and man say court ni be stay execution ama sa interpretation Supreme Court granted and sa na yatoa asem no ankasa eso onim side way. Yeah, that's it. Is strike law. It is strike knowledge. I don't went to onim. Harvard trained lawyer. Yeah, that's Romu no munim kwa betting ya spell. Na Harvard trained lawyer ni suni. Abusha yeguso Asempa 94.7 FM show enie. Don Kwasi Pedro say NDC amanyoko no munye serious. Ni omunimu an say vision no. Ni amimi nim ne say oni bi. Johans Nyame Soto so edie eni was say ABY MPP communicators the omo very funny, very funny. Toda mitie woni a ne eba mitim ne ne medwen kosi ano no Mike Lotu so edie ni was say ABY megidi ye wo mimu se Yesu wo bapa na wiase a wo ba no ba bi obehya se afiri ye Ghana etoropa ekoso wo Ghana ni nya atwem no Yesu beba na obesha se on sha se mfiri ba bia de Ghana bone no do so dodo Michael Otu on ne de ye ode aba no wo say mi nkan je kum so de ye ode eba anopai enie wo say ABY mini chairman ya Kabu Afghanistan MPP medano chairman o de da me kam so free di chairman yen na minim da ye beto aba yi wa free ho me free ka chairman Kabu Afghanistan no ho de je obi an contest ho na chairman o say mensa say ABY na nado de or say obey wrong say or say Nanado will be wrong if he learn women in Ghana you what the chairman actually no beka message ni ye na ma menim baby a odo de no na mebam anantwiwa so de ni o say bi wa me chia papa na say lawyer ampa de ene sa na mo na asem a wo ka no o se na mo betu eska no ne ho kora me nwanwa lawyer wa mam ho adwiri me ne lawyer sika wo mu abusuan yentwe ye homra ye ba ya ye bekom ye ba niema mienu ene dapno so ya ye ba behwe ene sa microfinance nsemi ewom electoral commission so wonum so na say wansam watu ahye da bi ka we mu ne ye de ba etu de ene ye ntena ye twe ho abasesi a na ya to aso sima mienu pe ne aba.
Would you like to change your home or office from the ordinary to the extraordinary? Are you tired of messy POP finishings that's heavy to work with and time consuming? Then Trelidor Decor Range is your answer.